See, it's brackets, nigga. Them hoes ain't fucking you cause you ain't in that bracket, nigga. Learn life. It's levels to this shit, young boy. Hey, oh, you feel me? Yeah, little nigga, we don't rock the same clothes, fuck the same hoes, cause there's levels to the shit. Little nigga, we don't drive the same whips, we don't fuck the same chicks, cause there's levels to the shit. Little nigga, we don't get the same paper, you a motherfucking hater, go levels to the shit. Little nigga, cause there's levels to the shit. Little nigga, cause there's levels to the shit. Yeah, oh Lord, cause there's levels to the shit. Levels to the shit, can't fuck my hoe, cause there's levels to this bitch. And I be rockin' powder like the double in this bitch, and the burger bag like a gold medal to this bitch, Lord. And I'm heavy as a get, shining like a motherfucking bezel on my wrist. All my niggas mobbing, so we heavy in this bitch. 30 grand for the mule, that's a Chevy on my wrist. Woo! Cocaine, Mosang, young nigga blowing up Kurt Cobain. Boom, skating on them like I'm Lil Wayne. In this 458, I do the little lane. Room, swerve on them, niggas got a nerve on them, cause I heard the feds got him and he had them birds on him. But that nigga back home, and them niggas roll with him. Quarter case, what you think? Nigga fucking told on him, I ain't get my shit snatched yet. You ain't get your bitch back yet. One car, niggas ain't that tech. Blood drawn, headshot, nigga brains on step. Hot shit if you pop shit. And I don't want your opinion if you ain't got shit. We young niggas, we winning, I pull up drop shit. Mob shit with more keys than little nigga, we don't rock the same clothes, fuck the same hoes, cause there's levels to the shit. Little nigga, we don't drive the same whips, we don't fuck the same chicks, cause there's levels to the shit. Little nigga, we don't get the same paper, you a motherfucking hater, go levels to the shit. Little nigga, cause there's levels to the shit. Little nigga, cause there's levels to the shit. Oh Lord, damn Tommy, you ain't got no job. DC, we the motherfucking mob. Young niggas getting straight to the money in the range with your honey. I pull up like I'm making power moves with Jan up. Them boys shooting, don't play them. Maybach, Rose, and them rolling down Collins Cole Rug, hit the air with them.
Look at the bottom, I had to make it, I had to. Came with a record deal, I had to take shit, I had to. Or the jealousy, it got activated. Out of nowhere. Or the fake love, it got activated. Got some people, they really my kin, don't feel like we family though. Then I got some people, they only my friends, and feel like we family though. Whenever it's time to stick to the plan, I know how to handle it most. Vanish the foes and cancel the hoes just so I can manage the goal. Get activated and I'ma do me. I am not going no eat. You know I'm out in these streets, but let me not eat. I'm robbing these niggas that's out here on fleek and that's on my OG. One thing I learned from these suckers, these niggas don't be your brothers. These bitches don't even love you. Better keep your circle small, cause that loyalty is a bad motherfucker. That loyalty. That bitch a bad motherfucker. I call my sister stealing in my pockets. It ain't your fault if I don't trust you. I can still get 5 years for the pistol. Ain't no way around it, I'm clutching. If I'm ever threatened, if I'm disrespected, ain't no way around it, I'm busting. I got some people, we got different blood. They wanna see me in the ghost. Then I got some people, we got the same blood. They wanna see me as a ghost. That's why I'm doing the most, playing my role. Better tuck your bitch, I'm at niggas' hoes. Stick spread, all blue faces. I don't need dubs to make it look long. Dread head, but I'm a city nigga. If I'm pussy, then Biggie living. Won't fuck just city bitch, and I'll let this bitch blow at any nigga. Date with the bezel sprayed and it's really gold, I ain't going dipping. Should invest in a funeral home, cause these bitches died just to fuck with us. Bro said the last bag was garbage, so I paint them back out of respect. Stand up nigga, if I fuck with you, it's 100, bro, I don't finesse. But I ain't fuck with niggas, it was all blood. Laugh, cried within 4 cuz. His loyalty ain't where I needed, that's what's a shame, I can't even call cuz. But I can call baby like, what's the word? Chillin', I ain't no shit tonight, she gon' come through. Get me right, then I'ma crash to it like she ran the light. When I gotta go before I miss this flight, cause I'm tryna get up like a kid before Christmas night, who ain't never had nothing in his life. Like, this really my life, with zero exaggeration. Some niggas just elevated, got me feeling activated. Lost a lot of new sales and cages, but held on to my dedication. The money got me fascinated, so that shit ain't got activated. Look at the bottom, I had to make it.
Look, I be riding through my old hood, but I'm in my new whip. Same old attitude, but I'm on that new shit. They say they gon' ride me, see me never do shit, cause they know that's the reason they gon' end up on the news clip. Audemars on my wrist, bust down. We popping bottles like I scored a winning touchdown. Remember me dead broke, look at me up now. I run my city from South Philly back to Uptown. Thank God, all these bottles I pop, all this paper I've been getting, all these models I pop. I done sold 100,000 for my album got dropped. And I'm only 23, I'm the shit, now look at me, I'm a boss like my nigga Rose. Shorty asked me for a check, I told that bitch like no way, cause I made it from the bottom, it was never no way, and I never had.
What up, man? What up? What's going on today, guys? How's it going? Everyone's good. Everyone's good. Everyone had some good sleep last night. We're up. Everyone had your cup of coffee. We're up. Everyone's up. All right. Everyone's litty. Brand new day awaits for us. Another day. Another discipline. Yeah, I got you there. Yes, I was gonna say another dollar. Nah, man. I'm gonna change it. Instead of another day, another dollar, it's gonna be another day, another discipline. Don't vote. Quote it. 2024. I mean 2023. Another day, another discipline. Yo, I didn't know these out. Did I get noticed out on YouTube yet? Oh, there we go. Chat, if you guys are coming to the streams here, make sure to leave a like on the stream, man. I appreciate that a lot. Just leave a like while you drop by. Just a like, man. Just a like, you know. That's all we ask for, really. So that's all I ask for in return, man. Alright, let me just send a Zoom call, and then we can start this stream up. We can get to some more waiting. Alright, hold on. Let me just send this. Alright. Alrighty. So where my MT5 at? And of course it's on the wrong screen. Play capture, primary. There you go. There you go. Let me go here. Heartful Pain, what up? Always first in the Zoom now. You're being Sharif out here. That's crazy. Maybach music. All right, what's the news today? Anyways, chat, good morning, guys. What's going on? How you guys doing today? Yeah, today is another heavy red forward day. So as you can see, last night you had, or no, sorry, this is not last night. This is right now as we speak. Oh wait, I gotta change the title, man. I gotta change the title. I gotta put what is this again? This is called the interest rates. GBP. And it's too long. This is fine. GBP interest rates, retail sales. That's fine. I guess that's how it's fine. Yeah, chat, you have a lot of folders today, man. You have 7 a.m. folders here. 7 a.m., which is in about 19 minutes here. You have pound news here. So you have interest rates for the pound. And then you also have US news as well today, later on the day at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. You have retail sales. So you have 2 major red forwards today. On top of that, it's not just retail sales. It's retail sales, core retail sales, Empire State, Philly Fed, and unemployment claims. And that's around 6 folders And it's very rare for news to come out and all 6 4s are, you know, are a positive or negative, right? So if numbers don't come out mixed today for the US dollar, we should get some direction in price today. We should get some nice movement. But I guess we'll never know. I guess we got to find out at 8:30. All right. But yeah, we do have 70 AM news interest rates. They're expecting to increase rates to 3.50 from a 3.0. So things should be interesting at 70 AM. But you have 20 minutes left, so let's do this analysis, and then we'll come back to the rest. All right. But yeah, chat. So let me go ahead and just let me pull this up real quick. All right, cool. Cool. Wow, what a wonderful and delightful quarter 4 it's been, man. I can't even ask for more in quarter 4. I've never seen a quarter 4 this wild in my life. In my career, actually. In my trading career, I've never seen a quarter 4 so like balanced out, you know. And this isn't like a crazy quarter where you have like crazy volume. It's just normal volume, really. But quarter 4, surprisingly. But yeah, man. Anyways, let me get into the charts. So today you got you have you have GJ and you have gold here, right? You have GJ and you have gold, and it looks like both pairs look pretty good today. Both pairs look pretty good. Both pairs have some decent volume, as you can see, and both pairs have a lot of potential for today's positions. Now, question is, how and where can we get positions? I know damn well there's one guy in the chat that's probably gonna say you missed the move or something like that. You know, I got up here or something like that, right? Don't worry, guys. There's still opportunities today to catch positions. You don't need to catch 1,000 pips today. All you need to do is focus on following your plan. The rest will come through later on, right? So regardless if it's going to be 10 pips today, 20 pips, 15 pips, whatever it is, as long as you follow your plan, you won. You're not a winner by how many pips you caught. That doesn't decide for you if you're a winner or not. What decides for you if you're a winner is if you follow your plan, right? So let's go ahead and check the charts real quick. Yeah, GJ and gold. Let me just do gold first, I guess. So starting off with gold for the weekly. We mentioned this on Monday morning, or yes, Monday and Sunday. We mentioned that we were never once officially bullish, right? Like, it was great, yeah, we popped off on Monday, but there was no, like, aside from news, there was no confirmation that price was bullish. Why? Because you never closed above this range, right? I mentioned that last week as well. It's gonna be a very wonky 2 weeks because you have no real direction in price, because you're just at resistance. There's no confirmation of resistance formed here, and there's no confirmation of us breaking out the range, right? Breaking out the range means that we are going to be closing above the range off the weekly here. The weekly didn't close above the range, so there's no confirmation that we're going to drive up. Sure, we could have closed above the range this week, but as you can see, you have a day left and things may close bearish. It may not even close bullish, so that's why it's very key to wait for closures. This candle, again, did not close bearish or resistance. This is a doji candle, right? So it wasn't no confirmation that we closed a bearish or resistance. All that price showed you last week was that there's a rejection level here because we're at resistance, but it's indecision level. It doesn't know what it wants to do yet. But however, if we do close bearish here in about 1 day and 11 hours, then next week should be pretty interesting. You should come down pretty heavy next week, coming down towards the next levels of support and such. But until that actually happens, and until we actually close bearish, there's no true confirmation of that happening just yet. So we'll find out Friday night when the session closes. But don't worry, chat. You have next week's looking great. Next week's looking very decent. Unless you close doji again, then you're kind of tough. You're kind of tough. But if you close bearish next week, it should be a great week next week. That's just the weekly, right? So it's relevant for the daily. Well, not really relevant, but you can do more of the daily. Daily today shows that you are bearish today. You are bearish today. I mentioned on my IG live yesterday, I mentioned how if you close below this resistance here, there's a high chance that price will continue to a downside. or price won't continue up, right? Because if you close above this resistance, that indicates that we have volume, and volume, with that volume, there's a high chance that price may pop up and fill the next ranges, tapping like 1883, 1830 and such, right? Look left, you have clean traffic till then, but you never closed above. You close right below it. There's a support here, resistance here, right? Resistance here, and this candle closed right below it. Closed bearish, respecting that support. And that is why you probably may see price reject today, right? And also with the weekly as well. So where can you come down to today? Well, you have your first support at like 1779, which you just tapped. And then you have your next support down here at the 1767 mark. That's your next support level. So this is just the range you're in right now, I guess, right? Again, remember the whole burger scenario. This is your bottom bun. This is your top bun. And this is your meat, man. This is your meat. Whatever inside is your meat. So congrats to all that rolled the meat last night in this range going down. Nice move last night. But yeah, you're back in the meat. So this range should get filled, man. You should be able to fill the meat today at 1767. Yeah, this range going down for around I believe it's 300 pips in this range. Overall, it's like 390 ish, almost 400 pips in this range. All right, so it's a pretty wild range, pretty good range. Question is, how could we get some sells today, or how could we get some buys today? What can we do today with price action? Drop down to a small time frame. First thing I see here is the 4-hour time frame. What's the first thing you notice with the 4-hour time frame? Look at it. What's the first thing you notice? Just remember, man, this is irrelevant, right? This information up here is irrelevant. This information down here is irrelevant. Just look at the current price, which is right here, and look left, right? And what do you see if you look left? What happens here? So what do you do? Well, there is a support right here. There's a support right here. Birth of lows, birth of lows. Okay. I'll say there's a support right here. Right? You see right around, let me just draw a line up. Nope. Right there. Right there. Right? As you can see, resistance, support, price closed below, drove. Support, then close below, rejected. Resistance, then close above, right? For support. So you close below here. So there's a high chance now that this next forward candle, after creating a top wick, we have 2 hours left, by the way, but since it's creating a top wick here, once you flip bearish on the 4-hour candle, there's a high chance that this forward candle may continue to drive down towards the next range. You look left, you're looking at like 1770, 1769, right? So you have all that clean traffic driving down, right? Coming down to fill those ranges there. Now, right, you have all this range going down. This is the range you're in right now, basically. So you have all this range to fill for 767, 770, right? So it's pretty clean. However, you want to look at the smaller time frame, even the smaller time frame, right? You go drop down to the 1 hour. What does the 1 hour show you? Well, 1 hour shows you that there was once upon a time a resistance right around here, right? Why is there resistance there, Don? Well, because look left there, you have rejections here, rejections here, rejections here, support, right? So this is your period of support that you formed there. Yes, you are below the support right now, as you see, but it comes down to how it closes here. So if price ends up closing respecting this resistance here, there's still a high chance you can still reject and come down for the day, right? Because price is just creating resistance, which is the top bun. And then you have a support, obviously, right around, let's see, where do you have the support at? I want to say right around here. I think here is fair. I believe here is fair. Or actually, let's move it down towards here. Yeah, this is fair. Yeah, so you have support here, chat, right? Going across. You have a resistance here that you kind of broke through already. And then you have a next range going down, or next support going down, which is 1775.315, which is right here. You have all this range going, you have all this range right now. This is your bottom bun, this is your top bun, and in between is just your meat. It's just the range you're in, and it's gonna spend a lot of time in this range until it breaks out. However, lucky for you guys, it's a decent range. It's a range of 50 pips, so you can definitely capitalize off of that. Now, how can you capitalize off of that? drop to the small time frame, right? Drop to the 30, drop to the 15. You get more information as you drop to the small time frames. All you're doing is dissecting the higher time frame and using that for the smaller time frame to get entries. That's all you're doing, right? You're creating a story for yourself. So obviously the 30-minute time frame or the 1 hour was in the range, right? You understood that. 30-minute time frame, same boat. It's in the range as well. Now, if this is a range you're in on a 30-minute time frame, right? What do you need in order for us to get sells? You're probably gonna need a closure at resistance, like so. You get a bearish closure at resistance here, you can take sells coming down to retest the lows, because that's a confirmation that you have created your top bun, right? So if this is your top of the range, top bun, and this is your bottom bun, bottom of the range, you close bearish here, there's a high chance to come down to fill the range, which is 70.75, right? So sells there would be great. Now, when is that going to come? When are you going to get the third closure at resistance? Well, could be in 6 minutes, or no, yeah, could be in 6 minutes, could be at 7:30, could be at 8 a.m, could be at 8:30, who knows? But once that happens, we'll be in there like swimwear. So that's what I'm waiting for. Or 2, you can get the fake out. The fake out will require a lot more candles to close, so it might come a little later. But for the fake out, you're gonna need a closure above, and with this closure above, you're gonna have to be disciplined enough not to take the buys, because you understand that that's a range 1 breakout. You take the sells though if price were to pop back into the range, right? So if price closes like this in about 30 minutes, I can care less. It's not my position to take. I'm not taking no buys. But if price closes back into the range, those are the sells I'll take, because this is a range 1 breakout. The current trend is obviously bearish right now, right? The current overall trend is obviously a bearish trend. Price comes down, creates a support, creates a resistance, breaks above the range 1 breakout for price to drive back down to retest the lows and continues current trend for the rest of the day, right? So pretty straightforward. What I'm looking for today, pretty clean. It just comes down to how and where can we get entries. We might get entries here in 5 minutes here, so let me just hurry up and do this GJ analysis before you have interest rates here for the pound. So interest rates today for the pound, chat, should be interesting. However, price action shows today that you are, wow, did we pop a lot last night? The weekly is it's interesting. Again, there's no confirmation of us breaking out just yet. However, there is a confirmation that we are, I guess you can say we are above this range here. There's like a minor resistance here that we have closed back above, and there's a slight possibility that we may come up to fill this range up here at the 171.430 in the next weeks to come, maybe next week. Especially if price can close above the range by Friday, above this amount of resistance here, because then we'll be breaking above the resistance, and then you'll have clean traffic to drive price up towards 171.430. Now you have 1 day and 11 hours left, obviously, so it's a lot of time. Let's drop down to the smaller time frame. The weekly does look bullish though, I'll say that. The daily today is bullish, right? Obviously it's bullish. On top of it being bullish, it also closed above this resistance here. There's a minor resistance here that I peeped last night during Asian. You closed above it, and since you closed above it, there's a high chance for price to drop up and fill the top of the range, which we kind of did already. The range is very small. However, it was around 50 pips. However, it's not about how big or how small the range is or how many pips is in the range. It's about the price action. Price action states here that this candle closing bullish here back into this range indicates that we should come up to fill the range, because this is a range 1 breakout, right? This is the exact thing that we would want to wait for on gold right now for the 30-minute time frame that I just drew down basically. But with this candle closing back into the range, this candle indicates that this next candle should pop up and fill the range. Now it was only 50 pips, right? However, that's just what price action showed you. Since there was a resistance here, you can't ignore it. Price came up, rejected that resistance, and now it's kind of just chilling in the range, right? So there's that. Doesn't mean we can't continue to drive. We can definitely still continue to drive. It's just that there is a resistance here, so be aware. It's gonna be coming down to a small time frame really today. So drop down to the smaller time frame. The 4 candle here opened up earlier, closes above earlier the range, closed above this resistance here. There was one support here. So this is the range that the 4 candle was in. Looks like we broke out though, and if I'm not wrong, once I believe we could be creating a bond wick here. Once we create a bond wick, we could look to drive up to tap like 169.065, right? Because that's your next resistance there. You have all that range going up to fill the range. All right, that range going up is around I think it's like 50 pips. Yeah, so it's not bad. It's not bad at all. However, Smaller time frame is your best friend here. So drop down to a smaller time frame. You have a 1 hour closure in about 2 minutes here. And it looks like there is a resistance here. It looks like price is respecting that resistance there. And look, if the 1 hour is creating resistance here, right? And you have the 4 hour candle doesn't have a bottom wick. Looks like you may reject. And as you may reject, you're going to create a bottom wick for the 4 hour time frame. I can confidently say that as long as price does not break 167.975, the 4 hour candle should continue to drive up. But if you do break the 4 hour lows at 167.979, then you can kind of just forget about the buys, because we may just be coming back down back to the previous range, right? So this 1 hour candle, this 4 hour low is very key here at 167.970. Now, how could you get positions today? So what did I say about the 1 hour time frame? I said, honestly, if I'm looking for positions today, I would just say buys would be valid if you break above. Let me just try to do this quick. Buys would be valid if you break above. Let's see. This is the range we're in right now, right? Because if you break this 1 hour low, you can drop all the way back down to here. I'll say buys above here, honestly. Anything above here would be clean for buys. Above 168, 703, a closure above there would be valid. And then as for sells, I'll say anything below here is valid for sells. Below the support, or even below here, actually. Below here would be a lot cleaner for sells. Range 2 breakouts below here. Below 167.767, because then below there you have clean traffic all the way down until 166.919, right? So you have all those levels here. This range though, whatever happens in this range right here is gonna be very tough. I'm probably not gonna touch this range today on GJ. It's a 100 pip range though. It's a 110 pip range, but it's just clunky. In terms of clunky, I mean it's just there won't be a direction in this range here. You'll have more so direction once you break out. So what that means is it's gonna be either above here or it's either gonna be below here. Whatever's in this range is gonna be very choppy. I'll just stay out this range. But yeah, you have news here, chat, in about 37 seconds here. Again, we don't really care what happens here, right? There's no buy self stops on the pound yen. But if you do have positions here, make sure you have stops and wear protection, because news can do a lot for you here. You can get slipped out in positions. A lot of things can happen here. So just be careful if you're trading news, and good luck, soldiers. Yeah, I had to rush that GJ analysis because this thing is coming up, and I was looking at a timer the whole time. Like, I don't got enough time here. Gold onion? Oh, brother, we might actually get positions. Oh, no bottom wick. Okay, how is news gonna come out? Oh, okay, back into the range it goes. Yeah, it should continue to drive down towards 679.676. Not bad for range. Oh, you do have a speech at 7:30. You do have a speech at 7:30, I believe, if I'm not wrong. All right, cool. That's cool. Anyways, gold here. Yeah, gold here on the 1 hour candle closed bullish here. I mentioned the 30 closing bearish, right? But the 1 hour closed bullish here. And if the 1 hour is closing bullish here, at any given point, we could respect the 1 hour lows and still flip bullish. This is interesting. Like, if it would be different though if you close like bullish respecting that support. But in this case, there's a support right here going across round price right around here at the 77.8575. You closed above. If you close below, I mean, I would have been fine with sells, but off of 30. But the 1 hour closed above. So at any given point, this thing is still flip bullish. So therefore, I am probably not gonna get positions here until maybe 7:15, 7:30. So we're gonna have to wait for another closure here, or even break for the 1 hour breakout lows. All right. Yeah. How big is this range going down? 30 pips. Not bad. I mean, the 4 hour flips here too. That's a good thing as well. But you want to see more. You want to see the 4 hour flip while the 1 hour breaks the lows. So that's gonna be around here, right? Which is basically the break of the 4 hour lows as well. Just triple confluences. Yeah, chat. Good luck trading GJ though. Look, it came back. Like I said, man, this range here is not like, don't touch this range. there's no direction in this range here. No direction at all. It's gonna hover in this range. It's gonna bounce between the ranges until it actually breaks out of the range. Once it breaks out, you have direction. This is a non-directional range. That's why I had it marked up as 167.676 and 168.703. But look, it came down, came back up, and now you can say, well, it has no bottom wick. Can I respect the support here to the left-hand side, or will it reject, right? This will be interesting, but I don't know. It ain't my ball game, man. They raised the rates. Yeah, they was expected to raise the rates. Numbers are pretty much guaranteed to come out 3.50 today. Mountain View live streaming. Hey, you from Vancouver? Can you use your signals to pass the FTMO? Sure. Sure. You can do whatever you like. You can use the streams to pass your FTMO, really. Forget the signals, man. Just use the streams. It's free. What a clean day last night, chat. Last night, FOMC was exquisite. Absolute exquisite. No gambling. No buy stops. No sell stops on news. No slippage. No slippage off stream. Just pure price action. Wait for news to come out. And then pop. What was the position again? Right here. I was like, where did my position go? Anyways, right there. That was it. This is all I did for FOMC last night in the single channel, and we called too. All right, just buy right here. That was it. It was so it was off the 5, right? I explained on IG Live last night. I'm not sure who came by on that, but we explained how, man, these charts are messed up. Yeah, it was a 5. So this is the 5 at the time. At the time of this trade here, the 4-hour candle at the time was respecting the support, right? Because this is the buy right here. It was off of this candle. So we were respecting the support all day long. This candle closed bearish, right? This one right here. Where is it? This one right here closed bearish. It looked like they closed bearish below because you're looking at this like, oh yeah, it closed below support. But realistically, there's another support right here. So since we had the 4 candle rejecting those levels all day long, being respected, with numbers coming out, I knew that numbers would come out, price will pick a direction, and then with the volume afterwards, we can take advantage of the volume to take the next position. And usually after your speech will be your best time to take positions for FOMC, I'll say. So anywhere around 3:45 to 3 a.m. or sorry, 2:45 to 3 p.m. will be your best position to take. And in this case, it came right at 3 o'clock came. The 1 hour was bearish at the time, yes, but the 4 candle was what we were looking at the moment. And if you look at the 5 at the moment, or at the time, it closed above this range here. I have my support formed right here, right at the 1707 mark. So as the next 5 closed above the range, that was the position that I took. This candle came up, filled the range, and I just closed full. About it. It was like, I think it was a 30-second trade. I was at first initially, it was around 255. I was looking for positions over here in this range, but I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna wait for a breakout above here. And the breakout above there was obviously the cleanest move, right? It was cleaner than all of this. This is like came up, hovered, whereas this was just like the perfectly clean mirror candle, and it just mirrored this candle to the left here and all these ranges to the left. And that's why I took profit right there. Yeah, that was the only trade I took for FOMC last night. No buy stops, no sell stops, just purely price action. And something we've been sizing for like months now. I'm looking at news of every news event ever since I think April. Not only do I look at the numbers, not only do I look at the initial push, I look at what happens afterwards. because that's what we're trying to catch. I can care less for the initial push. Like, I can care less for the buy stops and sell stops. I care more so for like what happens afterwards. Like, how could we take advantage of the volume, right? After price breaks as highs and price breaks as lows. So same thing today for retail sales, we'll do the same thing. You'll probably see positions at 9 a.m. to be honest. And then I'm not gonna lie, I had my charts marked up for Asian last night. I just had to do something. I wasn't active. But what I was looking at for Asian, I had my initial sells marked up below here. I had it marked up below here. This one right here. I had it on the 15 here. Because the 15, I was waiting for a 15 close below here, right? On top of that 15 closure below, I believe it was the 4-hour time frame. If you look closely, it closed below the range. Right? So this candle right here, remember how I said not one candle closed below the range last night for the 4-hour time frame in this range? You have a support right here, obviously, and you have never once closed below. This candle, respected. Came down, respected. Came all the way down, respected. So it's a pretty strong support. But once you had the 4-hour close below the range, that was your indication that, okay, high chance now for price to drive down to fill the wick and fill the next ranges. And that was kind of your start of the bearish move. So once I saw that, I just went on to 15, and I'm like, okay, if the 4 candle is closing below the range now, how could I take advantage of the volume? And I'm like, okay, well, the 15 has a range here, or 30/15. They both have a support here. So I believe if you close below 1804, you should come down to fill the range here. And that was that. But I wasn't there for the setup. But that was what I had marked up last night. I had a sells below here, closure below. But it only would have been 23 pips, but that was it. I would have been perfectly fine with that. I can care less for what happens afterwards, you know, like this whole entire range after it came down for like 200-300 pips. It's irrelevant. It's not my I had to sleep during that time, right? So you can't say you missed the move when you're just asleep. Otherwise you'd be waking up, you'd be missing every move. You gotta sleep, my guy. Oh man, making some subs here, chat. Looking good. The 1-hour candle did not break the lows here, right? No, almost did. 1 hour almost breaking the lows. I think you were 4 pips away, 5 pips away. GJ may not be bad. You might get that gladiator, which is a closure below here. But it's just a tough range, man. You have, like, even if you close below there, you have a support right here, right? You got another support down here. Then you have another support down here. Why not just take sells below here when you have all this clean traffic to mirror? It would be much better. It would be much better for your mental health, to be honest, as well. You're gonna have anxiety trading in this range. Can this movie don't sleep? That is true. That is true, my friend. That is true. That is true. Wow, that 4 count slipping bearish again, chat. Look at the 4-hour time frame. Just a little recap of that from what we said earlier. Look at all of this that you have to fill here. You close below here, and now you have a support down here. You have all this range going down to fill. All this is coming down towards 1770. Nearly a 70 pip range. So 2 things can happen today. We can either move before 8:30, or we can not move until 8:30, right? That's fine as well, I guess, because there's news at 8:30. I don't believe there'll be a lot of news today, though. I don't believe there'll be a lot of movement on news today. You had a lot of movement for CPI the other day, and you had a lot of movement for FOMC yesterday. I doubt we'll move a lot today. I could be wrong though, but off of experience, off of what we've noticed in the past, after FOMC or after NFPs were days where we move a lot and heavily, news would just tend to just be a dud. Might be a dud today. Yo, all these spams in the chat. Yeah, people who come to the streams for the first time. Yes, I saw that video I posted yesterday. That shit killed me, man. The new viewers reading chat and it's some random ass dude spamming work overeen wanna wheel 14 1 wo way wav. This is actually true though. This is actually me. I got headphones on, getting ready in the morning, brushing my teeth, getting ready, and then when the stream starts, I play the music from my headphones. Kinda cool. What a clean data chat. Clean 24 hours, clean week, man. Like, yo, I'm pretty sure chat. How you guys doing this week, man? You guys doing good this week? Like, I'm pretty sure everyone this week has had a successful week. Everybody. And if you lost money today, this week, you probably lost that news. You probably lost that news, right? Not yesterday's news, but CPI's news. And that's the only way you would have ruined your week if you traded news and you had buys and sell stops. Otherwise, you'd be up a good percentage this week, right? Oh, the Benny Hanna, I remember that. Week was successful until you tried options. I'm not gonna lie, chat. I've never tried options. I don't know what options are. I've never tried options. I don't even know what they are. I have an idea what they are, but I don't truly know what they are. I know that there's just a timer, and you gotta be like, it's like you buy a contract, right? And you have to be at a certain price before the timer ends, basically. I could be wrong. I never like looked at. I never looked at anything aside from FX, like not even stocks. Like I've never touched stocks. I've touched crypto, but stocks never touched. You exit for expiration. Okay. You buy out before expiration, right? Basically. Blew this week's profits yesterday, and every day is a new month. Yes, that is a good mindset to have. Every day is a start of a new month, regardless if it's the 1st, 14th, 15th, 16th, 31st. You forgot about news and high buys on the sell stops. Not activating got slipped bad. Oh, I thought that story's gonna end a little differently. Usually it goes like, I forgot about news, but not gonna lie, I made 10% off news yesterday. But I'm never doing that shit again, they say. Hey, at least you're honest, Eddie. I like that story better though. At least you're honest. A lot of people like to just say that I forgot about buy and sell stops for news. How do you forget about buy and sell stops for the most important folder of the week? And they make money off of it. But you got slipped bad. How bad was it? You owning crypto? Ethereum. Had XRP for a while. But nothing like I always told people. I also met people or this community. When it came to crypto, nothing life changing in it. I had nothing life changing in it. It was just money in there. I guess you can say it as a small investment, right? But it was nothing like, let's say crypto were to run up, I wouldn't make like a huge like life changing bag off of it or anything too crazy. Because for me in crypto, if you believe it's going to be bullish, you just buy and you hold. Like if I just have Ethereum there. I haven't even checked my wallet in months. It's just in there. And whatever happens to it happens to it. But I'm planning to hold for the next 10 15 years 15 years to come. But yeah, that's me in crypto really. If you truly believe the future of crypto is bullish, just buy and hold. You don't need to get a perfect entry. You don't need to get an entry on Bitcoin at 20k 10k. Just get in and hold. If you truly believe it's gonna drive up and the future is bullish and Bitcoin's gonna hit 100K, once it hits 100K, your entry from 40 to 50 to 30 is irrelevant. But it's been a tough year for crypto though. It's been a tough year for the community, for crypto itself. Made a bag off of Dogecoin. Oh yeah, I remember that. I remember that last year, man. Last year, February, I remember that. Once you own crypto for at least 4 years, so it's life changing. Depends how much you have in it. And what is life changing to you though? It's different. Yeah, people who have crypto are just gonna be, they're shaking it right now. Oh well, 1 hour might break the lows here, guys. Nice. How did the 15 close? Closed bearish, nice. 15 has closed bearish here. More live. It's on GJ and closed bearish as well, below the range. Not bad. You have some advantage points here. Came down. Oh, it's only 9 pips. Never mind. I thought it was a lot bigger. We had 9 pip range going down on GJ there. Oh, but NFP though? Wait. There's no NFP tomorrow, is there? Bro, what? NFP? That's more so of last week, no? I was gonna say, didn't we just have NFP last week on Friday? Hey man, your stream is a little delayed. I'm a little worried. Oh, NFP. Oh, NFT. I really got no opinion. I believe there's a future for NFTs. I do heavily believe that there is a heavy future for NFTs. I just don't believe in any of the projects that are out right now to be like long-term, like business changing products. So there's going to be an Uber of the NFT industry though. There's going to be an Uber of the NFT industry. There's going to be an Amazon of the NFT industry. Right? Eventually there will be, but look at the internet. Internet came in what, 1990s, something like that, right? Like, and then it took Uber like 20 years to pop off. So yeah, there is a future, but it might be the next 10-20 years. Like, you really thought cyberpunks are gonna oh man, we might hit 4,000 pips for a single channel this year, chat. We have 15 days left to hit 1,000 pips. Obviously, like, we're not gonna push for that for 1,000 pips, but if it comes naturally, that'd be cool. That'd be cool. Yeah, man. As long as we finish out GJ with 7% win rate, we can technically keep it for next year. Technically, we can. We just gotta survive 15 days with that. Wow. It's a beautiful morning. Are you gonna trade all December? Yeah, I am. I'm trading every day of December. I'm just not streaming all December, unfortunately. I would want. I told Wixon yesterday I want to, but I'm better off taking a break, to be honest. Would you enter on that London open candle? I'm not sure. I wasn't awake. I can't even say. I went to sleep when this candle closed. I saw this candle. I'm like, it's not too bad of a position. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go to bed, man. Forget it. If it drives, it drives. Woke up a drive. And I mean, there was that. But nonsense played out, I guess. But I went to bed. This position was nice too. If you guys, this one wouldn't have been bad. I'm not sure how it opened up, but it was pretty clean the way it top wick and broke the lows. 20 pip stops, 29 pip target. Not bad. Tomorrow's last stream. Yeah, tomorrow's a big day for us though. We gotta review this chart, chat, tomorrow on stream. Me, Wix, and you guys are gonna review this chart. This our trades taken this year on stream, man. Every trade taken on stream this year, we're gonna look back at it and we're gonna say, what can we improve on for next year? Why did we have a 75% win rate and not 85? What happened here? What trades were invalid here? What trades had a huge impact on our win rate? Right? As you can see, there's flaws here. There's definitely flaws here, like 50 here, 50 here. Like that's like there's a huge difference, chat, between 50% and 84 and 80%. Huge difference. We gotta figure that out. But there's a reason, chat. There's a reason that we did not have any trades on the 5-minute this year. And that's because we were saving that for 2023 after sample sizing it. I didn't speak of the 5-minute all year long this year. I did not speak about it all year long. I'm always planning for things, right? I always tell you guys, whatever I'm interested in, I always plan ahead. I always spend a lot of time before I give you guys that information. Because why would I give you guys the information? It's like I hear about Comics Open, and the next day I'm telling you guys today we're trading at Comics Open. Like, how trustworthy will that be? It won't be valid. It won't make any sense. So 5-minute here. I only started speaking about it Q4, but it's gonna be interesting next year, man. For you guys, a lot more positions we'll have probably. What are your thoughts on BlueBerry changing the stuff? I mean, I gotta see exactly what they're changing, but I don't think they're changing anything too crazy. I asked the guy who works there. He's like, oh, I'm like, oh, how are spreads gonna be and commissions? He said there will be. He said spreads are the same. I forgot what he said for commissions, but he said spreads would be the same. There might be commissions on gold next year though. I think I could be wrong, but yeah, there's no commissions on gold. But if they change it, there might be commissions on gold next year. You might see your $7 per lot. Hey man, I guess we'll find out next week. Love your website, really? I made that myself. We got a new website coming though. We got a much better website coming. I made all this by myself though. You know, it's not the cleanest website, but one thing I want to do is make it different. I wanted to make it different from the other Forex websites out there, because these other Forex websites out there, man, they look like they're from 1990. Like, bruv. I get it. It's just a website though. Like, who cares, right? But Wix is absent. Man, that guy is too lit. Good chat. I got Wix a gift. I was gonna say I can tell you guys, but you have to keep it a secret. I got him a Christmas gift. When you start in January, when the volume starts, first of the month. I I don't know when the volume starts. I'm no expert. I don't know when the volume ends. All I know is that there's price action, and price action, regardless of what day it is, will indicate if there's volume or not. So you can read price action and figure out if there's gonna be volume or not. But I'm gonna be trading January 2nd, January 3rd, December 31st, December 29th, December 30th. I'm gonna be trading those days. If there's volume, obviously. But there's no rule, there's no like unwritten rules saying you can't trade those days or there's no volume in those days. Are you gonna be live? No. Tomorrow's the last stream for the year. Damn. Gonna really snitch, huh? Oh, look at how 1 hour candle. It never broke the lows. It was 6 pips away, and then it flipped bullish again. Never broke the lows. Not once. Wow. What about gold? This is gold. What do you mean? This is gold. We're waiting for two things here. We're waiting for either, because we wanted initially the onion, right? But for the onion, you need to break the 1 hour lows first, and we never did earlier. So that's why we don't have any positions here. So we're waiting for that, or we're waiting for the fake out. Like if you can close above the range here, and then close back into the range, we'll take sells coming down. But I won't have any buys here. If you do close above the range, I'll just watch price drive if anything. But that'll be the range 1 breakout. I can't take that. That's not my position to take, because chances are we might get the range 1 fake out, right? You have a third closure in literally like 9 seconds here though. Looks like you're gonna close bullish off the 30. How come you didn't take the gold position yesterday at 9:30? Because the day was done. We caught our position yesterday. We traded New York. We caught gold yesterday around stream. Yeah. So the day was done last night. We caught this on New York session, and this is FOMC later. But yeah. Why do you need to trade again? I think a part of it was because I mentioned the forward candle didn't close as nicely yesterday. It closed like back into the range, and therefore I just stayed out afterwards. We caught GG yesterday, not even gold. We caught GG yesterday, and then we caught gold for FOMC. But yeah, there's nothing at 9:30 for me, or nothing after that until FOMC. Yeah, if you guys ask me about buys, chat, like I don't really care for buys until you break above 1790. I could that may change if the forward candle does close bullish here in about an hour and a half. But it's either we break a range 2, it's either we get a range 2 breakout, or 2, you close bullish on the 4 hour time frame, because if this 4 candle closes bullish here and it closes bullish like above this zone here, there's a high chance that, okay, next 4 candle may drive up and tap like 1792, and that'll be what we're targeting, right? But until then, like, there's no information here telling you that there's buys at all in any given way, shape, or form, aside from the fact that you're in a range right now. But this range could literally just be another range for us to drive down, right? So that's what I'm saying. There won't be any buys for me until technically above 1788. You break above there, okay, maybe buys until 1795. But that's like that. Those are my buy lines, and we're above there, and we're below here ourselves. All right, because that's the range 2. You may form a range 2 in this range, but again, it's either the 4 hour candle comes or we create a range 2 in that range for us to drop up. John, do you think gold might go up to retest that clean traffic, create a resistance? See, here's the thing. I don't think it's going to do anything. I don't think it's going to go up. I don't think it's going to go down. I'm just following the markets. Whatever the market shows me, I will adapt to. But you don't need to think. You don't need to think that we're going to drive up, tap London highs, come back down, come back to this level, come back to here, then come down to here. And, you know, like, you don't got to do all of that. All you got to do is to mark out your ranges, like so. Okay, you break above 1730 or 1780. Where could you get buys at? Well, for me, it's going to be above 1788. So if you break above there, cool. I'll get my buys above here, like so, to drive up towards here. But if you don't break above there, then we can get sells. We can get sells as you close bearish resistance here, or as you break below the ranges, below 775. But you see, like, you don't need to do any guesswork. There shouldn't be any guesswork when it comes to Forex. You shouldn't be here sitting here predicting like, oh yeah, gold's gonna come down to here, come back up to here, retest this level, come up to here, come over here, over here, then do this, then do this, then do this, then do this, and this, and this, and this. You know, you don't gotta do all that. You don't gotta be a hero. It's come in second place. Let the markets come in first. Right? Don't chase the markets. Let the markets chase you. Wait, no. Yeah. Yeah, chat ain't leaving no like, man. It's alright though. That's why I catch 101s. Exactly. That's why I catch a position. Because RR don't matter. RR don't matter in trading. Have you ever heard that? Risk to reward is irrelevant in trading. I think you are a great trade, but R is not relevant. Well, tell me why R is irrelevant. I'll explain to you. Like, look. The reason why I think it's relevant, like, ask yourself, chat. When you guys are trading, are you guys trading for RR, risk to reward, or are you trading for money? What are you trading for? I'll leave it as that. Moron broke traders. Damn, that's harsh. You just called half the industry moron broke traders. always trying to predict. We just follow price action. But we always do just follow price action. I did this video. Yo, I have a clip. Yo, bro, I think we're gonna upload today, to be honest. Let me ask Brother. Wow. If go breaks current resistance, why is no buy valid? I'm not saying there's no buy valid. I'm saying when it comes to our playbook, this is a range one breakout. This is a range one breakout. We discussed this. I guess it's something we avoid all year long. Range one breakouts. If I were to take buys, I would need a range two breakout. If you're confused about that, do exclamation point do range, what's it called again, chat? Fake out. Exclamation point fake out in the chat. A link should pop up. I have a video explaining it. You're long AUD USD. AUD NZD. You know what? I'm feeling a little nice today. We had a good day yesterday. I'll do a rare scenario where I'll do an analysis for you on a different breakdown trade. You're going long on AUD NZD. You're in a long. Oh, bruv. Okay. Here's what I will say. If you zoom in very closely, I guess you can see we're on a bullish trend. You know, we have bullish closures here. But if you zoom out just a little bit, you're gonna see that we're on a downtrend. And the further you zoom out, the further you realize how fucked you are. Because look at this. Look at this, bro. We've been dropping since October last year. Or this year, sorry. October. We've been dropping since September. Slowly dropping. And for you to take a buy here. Well, here's the thing. I don't know what you're long on. I don't know if you're long term or if you're long just like for a next like 20 pip range, you know? But what I will say is that, yeah, if you zoom out, you are on a bearish trend. You zoom in closer, yes, it is a bullish closure, but it's still a range bound breakout on a daily time frame. So keep that in mind as well. As for buys, it's gonna be interesting because this forward candle closed bullish, but it closed bullish respecting this resistance to the left hand side. So at any given point, what can happen is price can come down and break the four lows and drive back down to the bottom of the range, right? Since the daily is a range bound breakout, and since this forward candle is closing below the resistance. Yeah, so if I was looking for buys on this pair, I'll say it would be best to take buys above here, above 106.335. Anywhere above there would be valid for buys, because then you have range going up until 1.00 or 0.6622. This range up here, and this range going up is around 29 pips, 25 pips. But whatever happens in this range, I'll stay out of, to be honest, because in this range it's gonna be the range where you kind of pick a direction, right? It's a untradable range, but anywhere below here is valid for sells as well. So if I were you, man, I'll say this range stay out, this range clean for sells, this range clean for buys. That's what I'll do on AUD USD or NZD if I were you. But if you're gonna buy right now, you better pray that this forward candle closes above the range in about an hour. Because it can close bearish here in about an hour, right? Or it can close bullish, but it's gotta close bullish above this resistance for it to be valid. If it does do that, then you'll be in good hands. If it decides to close above like this, because then it'll be breaking above the range, right? Can you check gold? Yeah, see, if you're asking me to check gold, I've been checking gold all morning. You gotta go back a little bit. I might go back a little bit. GJ, I said how like this is a tough range, man. Like GJ, we're gonna have to wait for a breakout above either this range or a breakout below here. But this is tough, man. This is tough. There's no direction in this range. It's very tough. Let's see, this 1 hour zone closes 17 minutes here. How can we get this here? Honestly, chat, if you get a 15 closure, because here's the thing. Look at where the 1 hour closes. Or take a look at where the 1 hour opens up, right? Let me just take this yellow line here and put it right here. This line here is where the 1 hour flips, right? Because if the 1 hour flips there, then it'll be a bearish 1 hour candle. So if the 1 hour candle closes bearish in 60 minutes, on top of that, the 50-minute time frame closes bearish at resistance here for ADM like this would be a perfect sell take for us coming down at 8 a.m. But on top of that, you need to close bearish below this structure here, and you also need to close bearish on the 1 hour. And a bearish closure on the 1 hour will be anywhere below the yellow line, obviously, in 15 minutes, right? Green candles. So you might see something in ADM, maybe. Maybe. If we do close above though, then we're kind of tough. We're kind of chalked. Why is your range to breakout based on the current movement of the session and not the 40-day movement? It's not based on any movement. It's based on structure. This is based on structure. It's wherever the structure is formed, right? Otherwise, the range 2 of a current session could be anywhere. Current day could be anywhere. Like we already have a range. Like you can just say, like yeah, like look. It will have to be this. It will have to be the structure of price, right? In this case, like if this is your support formed and this is your resistance formed, you close above the range. What's that going to be? A range 1. However, if you do form range 2, which is something like this, right? You close above the range and you stay above the range. This would be your range 2 breakout, because then this would be your support right here, and this would be your resistance. So then you'll have range 1, range 2, and anything above here is clean for buys going up. So it's based off structure. It's not really based off of like what was your question again? The movement of the current session, movement of the daily, right? Otherwise, it could be anywhere. This is market structure with more detail. That's why it is. That's why it is. Because market structure and when you look at market structure, chat, when people look at market structure, they're looking at what? Keywords: lower low, lower highs, higher lows, higher highs, right? But that's all they're looking at. There's no like, they're not paying attention to the way the candles are closing, because that affects market structure as well. Where it's closing, they're just looking at straight up just higher lows or lower highs, and that could be anywhere. Like that could literally be anywhere. Someone could say this is a lower low, this is a lower high, and this is well, I guess you can say this is us breaking structure, but in reality, you can still drive down, right? Because people say, okay, yeah, you're breaking structure here because you're not breaking these lows again. You came down to here, then you came up to here, and you're not breaking this low. So this is a higher low, right, for us to continue up higher. But at any given point, we can still close bearish resistance here and end up doing something like this. And as it does that, then now this is your lower low, your lower high, and this is your lower low now. This difference, right? Candle closures tells you a lot more than just the lower lows and lower highs. Need new music. Where's my playlist? This is fun. 200 likes, that's it. Chat, come on, chat. Only 200 likes, guys. Come on. We can definitely get 400 likes today, chat. I don't know how many viewers we have right now. But yo, smash the like button if you guys enjoy our streams, man. You guys are stream hoppers, all of you guys. All stream hoppers, huh? Well, waiting for this guy to come on and this guy to come on, taking trades here, buy some stuff, stops here, come back here, take this here. Come on. Signal hoppers, streamer hoppers. Want to be a fake of? Yeah, the buys is bullish today. Yeah. Wait, where'd you say? 168.382? 168.382. Honestly, I'll say anywhere above here is a lot better. 450, or even above 168.703. To be honest, I prefer that. Because if you close where you mentioned at 382, right? Here's why that's a little off, because 382 is right here. This is where 382 is, right? But look left, there's another resistance right here. So wouldn't you prefer that whole structure to be broken rather than just this right here? Right? There's another resistance here. Preferably, I'll say above here, because above here you'll be breaking back into this range here, and every time you broke back into the range, you filled it. So this would be a lot more valid rather than taking positions here. This would be a bit messy. Oh, your watch list is gone? Me too. I don't know what happened this morning, but I had to refresh it. Yo, what's the deal?
What's the deal? What's the deal?
Where's your gift? I sent you it.
Send me a gift?
Yeah. It's here. It's moving though. Yeah, like take it out and like take care of it ASAP.
Bro, if it's alive, it's gonna die.
There's holes in the box.
Does it move sideways?
It moves like this.
Does it crawl at you sideways? Does it slither?
Nah, it's for content, you know. No, I'm playing. It's nothing moving, but it's fire though. It's gonna be fire. You'll use it, trust me. You'll use it a lot. Very, very nice gift.
I'm gonna use it on somebody.
No, bro. Not. Yo, it's a useful gift. Yeah, are you gonna unbox on stream? Nah, you can't. You're not streaming on next week.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait to unbox it on stream. Remember that Christmas gift you sent me 3 weeks ago?
Oh,
we are ready. January 9th, Christmas gift.
Oh, you might close there.
Yeah, imagine you restarted your ranges every time the day closed. Imagine you'd be sitting there waiting for a range 2 breakout, and the daily close happens. You're like, oh, range 1 again.
Oh, you heard that question?
Yeah,
I was trying to answer it. Yeah.
Right. Nope, range 1 again. Got to start these ranges over.
Yeah, because I'll just be like this. It'll just be like this. Like you're basically doing this. Like, oh, new day. New day. New day. You know. Yeah, like
new day, new range, new me. Who this?
Oh, you have news here, man. 8:30.
Hey, it's a beautiful morning.
Oh man, life.
New York City.
New York City. New York might be shitty today. New York shitty. Gamble news on stream, Don. Well, then I'll be called a copycat. I can't do that.
No innovation.
Do you use patterns? No, I don't use patterns.
Batman signals, baby.
No patterns. Been here for a while, Melvin. You know that, Melvin. How's the weather over there? Yo, Kieran, you ask me how the weather here is as if you're not from Toronto. It's
That boy literally lives on top of you. Yo, Don, how's the weather?
it's about 1 degrees Celsius. I think it's snowing today though.
You crazy? I'm going to the beach right now.
You'd be in New York in February. God damn, that shit is expensive, man.
Sheesh. Yo, you feel like they named green after a bullish candle? You know what? We're gonna name this guy Green. I love bullish candles. Imagine his pasta is like, nah, it's either red or green.
Yo, Leo, I might stream 3 weeks, man. I don't know. I want to stream. I really do. I told Wix yesterday. I'm like, Wix, should I stream? Right?
Nope.
Hey, whoever sent that signal earlier, man, I saw you. Don't think I didn't see you coming here to send signals and then later on saying I told you so. I saw you. I'm ready for that stuff. I saw you, man. I always say don't send the signals in the chat, because look at this.
Hey, new viewers in the stream, drop a like, sub to the channel, turn on notifications, and then go to the Wix9 channel, sub to the channel, turn on notifications. We'll be back live tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern, for our final Asian session stream of the year. We'll be live.
My day one.
Two more streams left in total. One Asian and one New York tomorrow. And then it's happy holidays, chat.
Yo, and then Sunday at the World Cup. World Cup. It's gonna be fine though. Because Messi will end the debate. And after the debate ends, chat, the whole world will be at peace. Messi.
No, there's no streams next week. We are streaming. We'll be back. We're streaming tonight, and then we are back January 9th.
Today's the last day of that stream, man. Unless you guys want to come to the Friday one. It's special on Fridays.
Yeah, the
Extra
Friday
quiet.
special.
Oh, wow. Chat, look at the 1 hour candle, man. Look at the 1 hour candle. Wow, we broke it down perfectly, yeah? We said how the 1 hour candle could flip bearish here, and the 15 closes below in about 15 minutes, which is this candle here. We'll take sells at 8 a.m. That's amazing. Yeah, 4 minutes left though. So let's see. Let's see first.
Fuck all that. Messi isn't better than Maradona. Well, did Messi ever score with his hand? I think not. I think that settles the debate. God's on Diego's side. All right. What does ADM means? It means always Diego Maradona. Always Diego Maradona.
Huh.
Always better.
Yeah, me. Why is everything I say ADM? 8 a.m. So it means if I'm looking to enter trades from range breakout, confirmation versus only range 2 breakout. Hold on. So it means
Now
if
waiting
I'm
for the
looking
Leo Messi
to
candle.
enter any trades from range breakout. Confirmation is only from range 2 breakout. No, the only time. Did you watch the video, man? I said exclamation point fake out in the chat, bro. I said watch that video first. But we only go against the trend when you have a range 2 breakout. Because we're going against the bias, against the trend, right? But when we're going with the trend, you'll need a range 2 breakout. But that's just a very vague example. You gotta go on exclamation point fake on the chat. A link pops up. Watch that video about fake outs. We made that last year. And then once you watch that video, you just take it in and sample size as you want. And it'll be great.
No, I'm gonna need you to do a PowerPoint presentation. I don't get it.
Yeah, we do. Expression fake out sideways cat. That video explains range 1, range 2. Or on top of that, bro. Forget that. Do this right here on Instagram. On Instagram, we have it on Instagram. My second pin video on Instagram. Range 1, range 2. It's a 1 hour. You watch this, you're gonna go.
Nice hat.
Oh, I forgot about that hat. Where is that hat? I don't know where the hat went.
Your girl probably took it. If you don't know where some shit is, and you got a woman, that's what took it. Telling you.
Roger that.
I'm telling you, there's a place somewhere that's keeping all the shit you've ever lost.
You put air tags and everything.
Somewhere out there is like telling you there's a room full of all the things you've ever lost. Because like, where the fuck is it? Like, where? You know what I mean?
Yo, I gotta lock it in your Wix.
Yeah, I know. Closure below.
This yellow line, right? You're looking at exactly what I'm looking at. I hate when Wix does that. That's the who you say when you don't care. Like when your kid asks you for something, or they tell you about something, like
yeah.
Oh man. One minute, chat. Yeah, so there's a resistance here at the 70.78 mark, and I believe if you close below here, this 1 hour candle, this next 1 hour candle should be able to come down and fill the rest of the range, coming down towards the 17.75 mark after a top wick. Now, as for entries, we just need a top wick for this 1 hour candle, and then we'll be in, and then we'll have a nice advantage point for around 8 pips before we go break even, all that good stuff. Cool. But oh wow, what a beautiful top wick, man. Wow. Chat, gonna have how big are stops here before I say anything? Stops are around 28, 29 pips. TP is around 30 pips. Yeah, you have all this range going down, really. Wow. All right. I don't think I can place these in time. I don't think I can place this in time. Let's see.
You got current candle, break of the current candle low?
Yeah.
Previous hourly.
Previous hourly at this point, I believe now. Because we kind of broke the current lows, right? Previous hourly is going to be around like 5 pips away. It's a 5 pip difference.
Yeah, it's, well, 4 pip difference at this point, but it just, I think it's a better confirmation than previous hourly.
Something 77213.
Tried to place it and it wouldn't let me. It was too close to price.
777213. Let's see.
Gotta manually enter.
77. I got 77.711 on Blueberry right now, chat. I should move it down a little bit. 776.99. There you go. All right.
Ooh, I got 776.89.
Nice. Yeah, chat. I got Celsius here on gold here. On the break of current candle low, the previous candle low, sorry, which is right around here.
1 hour.
Yeah. Previous 1 hour low. Whatever that is in your broker, that's where I have mine. All right. So just adapt and adjust to your broker because it's gonna be a little different.
But Don, your RR is 1 to negative 42.
776.87. I gotta keep adjusting this.
Next
there we
person
go.
to say something about RR is getting fucking banned.
We'll have a clip for it. We don't gotta ban anyone anymore for it. We just have a clip for it. What was it? 776.87. 7 TP. What's target again? To make it a good RR, I guess we can put target at like 1764, right?
Yo, that's it. You're getting banned, bro.
Little left. It mirrored all these ranges to the left. You can put 773 to be honest. 773. That's just part of your target. 773.468. And then our stops are gonna be the previous 1 hour high, which is gonna be around 1780 370. Almost activated here, chat. Almost activated here. And let me just make sure I have these stops intact. All right, there we go. So let me just put this real quick. 70 target 773.
You didn't get tapped in? I got tapped in. Oh,
No, I did. I'm in. Yeah, chat. So got some sells there off of the breakout lows there off of the arrow candle. Stop loss is gonna be the 1 hour top of the range for 40 pips, 1781. And then target for me, I had it as 1773, I believe. What did I have? 773, 772, like 670, I'll say. But yeah, this is the trade we're in right now. We just got activated in. The whole idea behind this trade here is the 1 hour onion, I'll say. Basically what you have here is you have sorry, it's gonna be the onion / 4 hour breakout lows, because it was basically a 4 hour flip too as well, right? But you can say it's the onion or the 4 hour flip, whatever you want to see it as, really. But ideally it's just the 4 hour flip. 4 kind of has clean traffic coming down to where 1772, right? On top of that, the 1 hour candle closes at resistance here. High chance for this next candle to drive down to fill the range as it's breaking back into the range.
Yeah, high probability trade.
So this trade here is going to be, let's go ahead and do this real quick.
Staying out of this. Good luck, everyone. Yo, you know TT? you guys should hang out. If you don't know TT,
Oh,
he'll be here soon.
We're the same time trade yesterday. Gold sells. You can say it's the onion off of the first higher low off of the 1 hour.
Oh,
Yeah.
There's a song. There's a song.
Yeah, coincidence, huh?
It's driving. This song makes things drive. I don't know about direction, but I know it makes things drive. I feel like a liquidity provider hears the song on our stream and is like, oh yeah, it's that time.
113. Okay, cool. I should be selling now. Anyways, chat, yeah. This trader, gold sells onion breakout current higher low off the 1 hour. Obviously it's half. Stops a little wider. So gotta manage those accordingly. But this trader is gonna be what was it again? 1 hour, right? Onion first higher low. So yes, this trade here is 100% win rate on stream for us this year. Now that's going off of our past trades, right? Not every trade will be like there's no guarantee that's gonna be 100% win trade. But off of our trades this year, 100 and 200 trades this year we take it on stream. On this trade shows that it has a 100% win rate. Because it's gonna be the 1 hour onion and break the first higher low. That's the exact same trade setup, right? So that's kind of what we got going on.
Yeah, the stated high probability trade.
Probability
setup.
So if you guys, yeah, so that's that. And then obviously 1 hour here, 81%. Onion here, 73.81. First higher low, 65.69. So that's the trade. All right. As for break-even point, you guys are probably wondering about that as well. Break-even point, I'll say once you tap like 1775, 552, that'll probably be the break-even point. That level right there to the left. 75886, I'll say. be your break-even point. At that point, move stops to break even because understand that at that level, there's some type of support here. So the range we're trying to take advantage of right now is the range coming down before we tap that level. Make sense? I need some water, man. I haven't had water all morning.
Come on, grab that liquidity so we can drive. You know we can't drive without no liquidity grab. I'm gonna help you. Come on, Candle. Come on. Come on, Lee. Come on.
Forgot water and come back. This thing better not move, right?
This shit's gonna be at fucking full TP. You grab water.
I have no water. This thing is empty. This is the liquidity right here. It's all empty, bro. I need to fill it up so we can get some volume.
No, I just gave it an influx of liquidity. Look, thing almost gone. Grab mad liquid.
What kind of liquidity do you have right there? I got liquid. I got water. Oh wow. All right, chat. At this point, I'm gonna do something called move stops to break even. We come down. We have came down and tapped that level to the left hand side right there. So at this point, for our plan, stops break even. This is a rejection zone. If price rejects, cool. If it doesn't, it drives. But this is break even, no risk on the line anymore. For all the RR monsters, this risk becomes a 0 to 43 now. All right, so break even. If it runs, it runs. If it doesn't, then be hit. We'll attempt another trade later on at 9 a.m. But this will be a last trade for 8:30 because you have heavy news at 8:30. Keep that in mind.
Pero.
Okay, I'm gonna get some water, man. Be right back.
Gotta utilize the driving license. You get some water. Gonna be a wild chat. Give me that back. Yeah, some of you, if you got a bit of a later entry, I think the price came back on a lot of you. I was real close here right now, hitting B, not hit B. I'm accounting for spread.
You hit break even there?
No, not yet.
I think I did. I didn't even look. Yeah, I did.
Well,
I did. Hit B.
A lot of people did.
Hit B.
You know what I started doing? I started accounting for spread on my break even, just like I do on buys or any position that's
yeah, that goes up, right? Makes a lot
yeah.
of
So
sense.
technically, the stops on a sell would be a buy, right?
Yep.
Get out of the market, and I account for spread on that. So like if my break even is there, I'm gonna count spread. I'll be like -1 or -2 pips my entry, because that would be the true break even price.
Yeah, because it never hit like the initial like sell stop point you had earlier, initial entry point. Makes sense.
I'm fine.
I just
losing
don't
a
like.
pip or 2 pips. Yeah, you don't like seeing red. I don't either, but I've noticed that like at the risk of 2 pips, I can have massive runners.
It'll be the more ideal thing to do though, to be honest. Yeah, like having count for spreads for moving styles to break even, because you're going off of price action, right? Like I mean, the 1 pip or 2 just is like you saying cover for commissions basically. Yeah, chat. We had a plan. It played out to a plan. Came down, tapped on a dot, and just rejected, right? So at that point, I'm out at break even, and now we wait for 9 a.m. Like we know we're not gonna get a trade at 8:35 or 8:30. We know that. Everyone knows that. But 9 a.m. that'll be the next play. All right.
Hey, I'm new to the stream, following Don, but how can I follow the other guy? Well,
Books
go
9.
to the other guy. Yeah, you gotta go to my YouTube and click sub over there. Right? Just Google. Oh, there you go. Green with the link.
Yeah.
I'm bullish on green because yeah, we're gonna run agent session tonight. So follow up to the channel, follow the IG, and turn on notifications so you know when we're live tonight. Be live at 8 p.m. Eastern. The other guy has a name.
Oh my god, what happened to Virgin? Yo, free gunner, man. That guy out.
Yo, I'm back in 10 minutes.
Are you going driving?
Yeah, but I'm going extra fast today.
Okay, come back for news. Did you come back for news, bro?
I'm gonna try to have my kid jump out as we're moving. Just tuck and roll, baby.
Yeah, I think the flip would have given you, without the breakout lows, would have given you 10.
Yeah.
14-ish, something like that.
It'd be.
Yeah. Everyone should be a B right now. Yo, Chad, if you guys getting frustrated with breakings, by the way, man, don't be frustrated, man. It happens all the time. It happened this year. It happened for us 55 times this year, right? A break evens is technically a win. Technically, it is a win. It did play out to your analysis. It's just that price came back up. It BE. Nothing to be frustrated about. You had a plan. You stuck to it. And B is BE. Take it or leave it as it is.
If you had parameters and walked away and set those parameters, if the computer didn't execute them, you'd be pretty pissed. So it's good. You're executing like a machine, like a robot, like a computer. And that's what you should do. No emotions, right? You hit BE, boom. That's what the machine would have done. It would have hit BE and then moved on to the next trade. It doesn't have fucking emotional memory. It just has real what happened. So short memory. A short memory, next trade, boom, here we come. This shit didn't even happen.
Like, your heart rate should not be higher than a 60 right now.
Good point. All right, BRB.
How to conquer break even? You don't conquer break even. You just conquer wins.
You have to conquer the mindset that it's okay.
Which I'm trying to do 3 times right now.
Yeah, but it's like you can't conquer. You gotta conquer yourself, conquer your mindset, and realize that it's okay to be break even. And with that, I'm out.
It's okay to be break even. It's okay to win, and it's okay to lose. Those are the only 3 possibilities in trading. It's Wix 9. His stream is Wix 9, so that's a stream right there. Wix 9. He streams every day. Asian session. Trades exactly like us. Obviously, he's on our streams. And yeah, streams every day. December's been hot for these guys too. These guys have been on a roll. Record 4. Yeah, look, chat. I don't think you would want to be in this trade right now anymore, right? It's like if it drove, it would have drove. But since it didn't drive, you can say there's a support form there. And with news, you don't want to be stuck in a trade during news, man. You really don't. Because news, news could just, whoop. I mean, they're expecting what today? There's like 5 folders today. Like, I highly doubt we'll come out all in one piece. We may get mixed folders. Unemployment claims too. Wow. Wow. You feel about GBP at 350? They raised bank rates from previous months. 350. I mean 350. Where? You mean 168 350? 350? You mean like 168 350 or what? What do you mean? I'll say honestly above. I'll wait for 1 to 4 candle close, and I'll wait for anywhere above 168 703. You have much better direction, man. It's very tough in this range here. It's gonna be a little tough here. I wouldn't want to touch this value today. I'll want to stay out of this range, and I'll want to execute buys above here and execute sells below here. But this range is tough, man. You want to stay out. There's just no direction here, right? At all. Oh, let me just put the trades taken. My fault. Gold sells, break even. Man, 3 days in a row where we just proved to you guys how key advantage points are. Because look at that, there was no magic line there. It was just a line based off of the B point, right? I just placed it there off of a support level. That's it. No magic indicator telling me there's a rejection. Just support has been found there. Also, another thing was that I placed it there specifically and not like here, down here, is because like the average medium of the rejections, if I were to circle the average medium here, I'll show you guys what I mean. So you have rejections here, support here, resistance there, rejections there, rejections there, right? Rejections here, rejections there, rejections here, rejections here. So like, what's the average medium? Like, what's the middle? Like, what's the average of all these lines here? The yellow line. So that's where I based it off of, and not like 775.315, right? Even when it comes to drawing support and resistance as well, same thing. Like when you're drawing support and resistance chart, it should be like, so like for instance here, right? If you look at this whole entire range here, you're gonna see that there's a lot of rejections here. But what's the average medium? Okay, well, you have resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. I'll say right around here. This is your resistance, because price has never closed above that range before. All right, so that's how I'll go about that. Study ass hand the mouse. Yeah, you know what, man? I was once a gamer. And 2, I've been drawing candles out my whole life. Since I was born. Came out the flesh, drew candles out. I wasn't born to be a trader. I was born to draw candles. I want to have a buy stop, but I'm afraid of slippage. Then why do you want to have a buy stop? If you're afraid to have a slippage, like, think about it. You know that there's a possibility of you having a slippage. So why do you want to test that route? Like, why? If I were to take a trade and there was a possibility of a slippage, I would not take the trade. I would just stay out. It's not worth it. Even though today, like, I'm not expecting much for news, still, man, could still be a possibility. Oh, well, is that comics open? That makes sense. Yeah, comics open. Huh. Already in a buy and sell stop. Hopefully my stop loss triggers. Huh? You play Call of Duty? Yes, sir. If you break the lows here, chat, clinch. All right. If you break the lows here, clinch and close your eyes, because you may get severe FOMO here. But there's no need to have FOMO. You have news. You're still in your gold cell? Good luck, soldier. Good luck. And man, I don't know who this person was today. In the chat, man. But prayers up, man. Prayers up. Gold paying the bills. Gold to 1824. Stop loss 1777. Hey, man. Hey, man. That's what happens when you try to be a hero, man. You try to be a hero, and you try to pay the bills. Like, watch. How come you don't trade news? There's a lot of reasons. Slippage, whip stalls. It's just not a high probability trade for me. It doesn't make any sense. It makes no sense for me to trade news when I can just wait for price action to come out, wait for numbers to come out, and then take advantage of the volume afterwards, right? No point in trading news. There's no point in gambling. Why? Why? Why would you want to gamble? Why would you want to win or play stupid games and win stupid prizes? Because let's say you do win on news, right? Let's just say you do win on news. Buy some of sell stops. Next time you trade news, it might be a loss, and those losses affects you more than the wins. And with the losses, you can't really control how much you're gonna lose. Like you might have a stop, you might have a set stop loss amount of like, hey, I want to lose only 30 pips. My stop loss is 30 pips, but you can get slipped for 170 pips, right? 80 pips. Man, you might as well hit the casino, bro. Go hit a blackjack, bro. Go hit a blackjack or roll dice. 4, 5, 6. When I used to gamble, that's what I'll gamble. In high school, 4, 5, 6 with dice, and then CeeLo, they call it CeeLo, and then casino blackjack. That's where I'll gamble, man. But when it comes to the charts, there's so many things you can do that where you can be ahead, and it can be in your favor, but you're choosing to trade news. This is not worth it to me. What are you? Hey man, yo, but yo, if you guys trade news, man, and like it truly works for you, and I'm not just saying like one news event you win. Oh yeah, it works for me. I'm talking about years and years and months of data of you being correct for every news event. Okay, cool. Keep trading news because that's what works for you. But in my eyes, or for me, this is something I don't do, man. If you got Boston and sauces today, man, just hey, good luck. Yeah, blackjack is hella fun. Blackjack plus side bets. Down for the boys, bro. If we could have a devious link up in like Vegas or something, cool. We'll gamble for the boys. Like that would be lit. But now with this, man, I can't. I haven't traded news in like 4 years. I haven't touched news since 2019. That was the last time I had to buy something to sell stop on news. But we are doing something close to news, chat. We are trading news starting next year, but we aren't trading buy or sell stops. We're trading the 5-minute candle afterwards, right? So anywhere from 8:32 to like 8:35, 8:34, 8:40. Anywhere in that range is when we're looking at trade news after. But it's once the numbers comes out, once the spike finishes off, and once you have the leftover volume with the price action, take advantage of the volume, right? IMO Academy. Oh man. I miss life. Oh brother, don't even get me started on that. IMO Academy. Man. Shout out to IMO though. Without IMO, I don't think a lot of people in the industry would be on that Forex right now. But then again, they also gave Forex a bad rep. But they bring a lot of people in. And there's a lot of people who came to IMO. You know, doing the whole buy 3 get 1 free type stuff. And then now they're trading. So I mean, yeah, they did bring people into the community. That's good. There's a plus. But at the same time, they did take money from them. They did take a lot of money from them as well. You show the profits, but you don't show the losses with scalping. There are many losses. Good luck, soldiers. We got news there. Oh, we actually closed below. Wait, chat. There wasn't news. If there wasn't news today, chat, we'll be in this position. Wow, we'll have sell stops in the breakout lows after a top wick. If there wasn't news, wow, that would be amazing. Oof. That is clean. All that range going down. Oh, you guys got triggered. Some people got triggered there on sell stops. How big are spreads? Yeah, Lee. 1.5, 1.9. Not too bad. Did it break the highs yet, chat? Man, because if it comes down to like 835 and we don't break the highs yet, wow, I'll have a sell stop. I'll have a sell stop in the breakout lows. Because numbers came out already, and I think numbers come out mixed, right? I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's 6 folders, and I'm pretty sure they come out mixed because that's a lot of folders. It's very rare we get 6 folders and they all come out like pot in one direction, right? Yeah, look, so unemployment claims came out bad. Oh, what? How did this come out? Philly Fed. Wait, maybe everything came out bad. Extra greater. Okay, cool. Greater. Interesting. Man, We flip bearish here, chat. How big are our stops here? 40, 46. Target is only 27. Stops are a little too wide here. We may have to wait for the 1 hour close in about 27 minutes. Yeah, if it wasn't for news, I don't think we would have came up to create that steep of a wick, and then we can have sell stops in the flip. But stops a little wide there, man. 48. Target's only 27. But look, the whole idea is that we're closing back into the range here, right? So now, as you flip bearish, you should be able to come down and fill it. Or as you flip bearish and break the lows, at least. Have all that range going down. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Wow, also the break of the 4 lows as well. Pretty clean. Beat the 5. Yeah, I mean, if this 5 closes bearish below here, I mean, the flip of the low on a 1 hour, on a 30, sorry, and also like the 5 break of lows later, if this 5 closes below this resistance, will be a pretty volatile candle. Right, 35. Wow. Yeah, I got no position right now. No buy stops, no sell stops, nothing. But it's looking pretty. Especially for 9 AM too. Looking nice for 9 AM. Maybe GG can give you a move for 9 AM as well. Yeah, there's another stop we can use. The most logical stop here would be the current high, and that's 50 pips. The breakout lows for 50 pip stops. And target is only 27 pips. Very tough here. Very tough. But you gotta break the lows first to see any direction. What do you think about if you have a good mentality, 0 emotion, 100% rational, 7% probability in your trades? I mean, that's what I got. we got all of that. 7-5. But even if we have like that, like even for the last trade, right? The last trade, that trade there was a 100% win rate trade for us. Like we didn't over risk. We didn't risk more than 10%. We risked like our usual risk. So like the way I see it is, no matter how successful you are in terms of win rate, in terms of probability, no matter how strong your emotional mind is, you should not be over risking. You should still be taking the same amount of risk per trade, because you never know what's going to happen. Just because you have a 70% win rate, there's still a 25% that the trade may not play out. Let's say you over risk and you lose 10 trades in a row. Because think about it. Let's say you have like 75% win rate over like 100 trades, right? But you risk 10% per trade and you lose 7 times in a row. It's over. Your account's gone. Or yeah, your account's gone after, or 10 times in a row, your account's gone. So it's not worth it. I'd rather just take my 1 or 2% risk per trade, regardless of how successful or of a win rate we got. Even next year, like let's say we have an 85% win rate, like we're still gonna be taking 1 or 2% risk per trade. There's still a chance I might lose. Nothing's guaranteed. Nothing's ever guaranteed in Forex, man. Even if you have a 99% win rate, you still got that 1% that may not play out. Right? I'm saying, how many trades? The onion, 24. Well, it's kind of hard to say. 24 onions. Previous higher low was 61, and 1 hour time frame was 114 trades. So like over 100 trades, 100% win rate on that trade. On stream this year for us, at least. You suggest account for commissions? Not really, to be honest. Like, yo, like you're paying you're paying $7 per lot usually, right? $8 per lot sometimes. That's less than a pip. That's 0.8 pips. It's not worth it. Just like I mean, you could go the extra mile and cover for commissions, but I don't really care to see a little bit of commission. I'm fine with that. It comes down to personal preference, really. That's a shopping list. It won't go to 1800, no?
I guess we'll never know.
I don't know, brother. I don't know what's gonna happen. We can go up, we can go down, we can go sideways. We're just gonna adapt. The moment you guys stop trying to be heroes in the markets and you guys try to come in second place, things will click a lot easier for you guys. Right? Trading could be very simple if you make it simple, but some of you guys make it very complicated and complex. And sometimes, like, even when I draw out my levels and my zones, like, let's say we want to trade, right? And that trade, that whole analysis, all that was that, oh yeah, there's a resistance here, and you filled this range every time you came down. Like, that was the analysis compared to like you having like 20 EMAs on your chart. This indicator, that indicator is showing you which way price is gonna drive. It can be very simple if you make it simple for yourself. Because people have indicators just punching the air now. They're like, yo, this guy only has like one line on his chart showing him where his price is gonna go, and whereas I got 20,000 EMAs. I mean, up to you, but how you want to make it. You became profitable overnight. I just had to stick to every rule. Hey, overnight. That's impressive. Huh. With 7% win rate, there's 1% chance. Yeah, like our biggest losing streak this year, on and off stream, was like maybe 4 trades in a row. I think 3 actually, 3 in August. That was our worst streak ever in August. August we had 3 losses in a row. 34, 2020. August 23 and 25th between those 2 days. Aside from that, they've just been flowing. We never had a we never had 2 straight losses in a row before that, before August, since like 2021 November. Yeah, so it doesn't come often. But there's still a possibility you can lose 7 in a row, right? So you don't want to over leverage your trades regardless. There's still a possibility that even if it shows like a 0.01%, there's still a possibility, man. Yo, Wix. That was not 10 minutes, bro.
Yeah, it was.
Uh-huh. I was getting a little nervous.
Yay, the top wick.
Yeah, that's a little wide. That's nice though. Wow. Embrace. You got Celsius here, Wix, on the 30? I would have Celsius here if Celsius wasn't that big. Thing is 50 pips.
I'm waiting on a 4-hour close.
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna wait for it too. Yeah, I wasn't expecting much on news because you had low volume. Yeah, that's what I said earlier. Yeah, FOMC, which brought a lot of volume in. You also had CPI the other day, which brought a lot of volume in. I wasn't expecting much on that news. can't believe someone had the audacity to say you don't show losses. That's hurtful, man. That hurts. That's painful. God,
Is,
we're the
more real-
only stream that has a record.
It's more. What is this these days? It's more. Fuck. What? It's more realistic. Oh, it's more relatable.
Mm.
It's more relatable when somebody loses all the time. Yeah, that's what everyone's trying not to do. Easy, bitch.
Man. There's a mentor out there, chat. Not a mentor, but someone I know, someone that I came across on Instagram, and the clip was like, "Yeah, it's more relatable when we
It's a
can
good thing
lose."
that It's a good thing
How'd it
that
go?
I keep losing. She said, I keep losing, but it's more relatable when somebody loses all the time, right?
So someone sent me a clip and it was something like that. I'm like, you shouldn't be wanting to lose though. Like, you should be trying to guide your audience to win, right? I mean, that loss is a part of the game, but what do you mean more relatable? Who wants to lose? Like,
Who the fuck wants to relate to that? Yeah, it's more relatable. That's what everyone's trying to fucking escape. Trying to escape poverty, bitch.
Like,
it's relatable.
when we discuss things on stream, we discuss I mean, discipline, like things that we can all learn from, but like all those little concepts, discipline, waiting for counts to close, top wicks, this, all that leads to a win, right? So we're guiding you through all those small concepts to become a winner. But
Trying to be relatable to you by losing.
Yeah. Oh wow, breaking the highs. Interesting. Or might close bullish chat. If the 4 kind of closes bullish here in 15 minutes, about 81. Poof. 9 a.m. we can take pies.
Can't even. It sounds like he takes big ass rips from a bong. I do, but I just fucking took some big ass rips from this Jamaican joint that I'm smoking. That's it. That's it.
Yo, chat. Yes, the stream got deleted, bro. I'm sorry. It's
Blocked
not
completely.
It got blocked. Yeah, I mean, I can try to get it back, but I think that was our best stream of all time. Like top 3
No, it
stream of
wasn't.
all time.
No.
Okay, maybe top 5.
I'll have it in the top 10. I have a top 5.
Because this stream is very valuable, man. Not okay. Forget about the trade, but just the stream itself, from start to finish, was just perfect. Like it was the
I
perfect
know the
live
date.
stream.
I know the date of our very worst stream.
Oh
ever.
yeah, it's your birthday.
The worst stream we've had in the entire 2.5, 3 years that we've been streaming here. The very worst stream here came on my birthday. That's why it was so memorable. Yeah, it was L's after L's after Wordle L's. We lost the Wordle. it was just set up that way. Never forget that day. Yeah, we lost Wordle that day. Yo, here's the thing. Like, I'll play the same playlist, and one stream will get blocked completely. Nobody can see it in any country. And then another stream, I'm monetized on it. Like, how the fuck does that work?
I guess we'll
You
never
know what it is? It's because sometimes you speak over the songs and they don't recognize the songs. Like YouTube doesn't, the algo doesn't recognize the songs.
I'd be like, ah, shit. Yeah, I had a day off yesterday, right? The birthday party at the YouTube headquarters. They wasn't paying attention.
I got so much copyright claim
You know we can't see, right?
because I'm a copycat. That's why. Nah, it's because I play music. I don't get paid for this. Y'all getting paid for this?
Again, you know we can't see, right, on screen.
Yeah, YouTube can see. Oh, my camera? Why is it off? Interesting.
Interesting.
Yeah, but yeah, like you can I don't get paid for this. I don't monetize these streams. Like it's all free. Like literally all free. Yeah, I haven't got paid. I don't get paid for these streams. Like all the streams are just copyright. My videos are not copyright because I don't got music, but yeah, man.
Only one of my Wix wisdoms is monetized. There's only one of them doesn't have some shit. And only one of my live streams, out of all the live streams we've done, I think only one of them is monetized. We had one day where we listened to copyright-free music.
I don't know. Maybe next year. I
But it
think
was a
YouTube is
slow
allowing
ass.
us to play music, so we should be good next year. YouTube, we got YouTube said they're gonna allow us to play copyright free music or copyright music. I'm not sure when they'll implement that, but they are likely to do so for next year. Yes, buy stops. I mean, hey, good luck, guys. I'm waiting for the 4-hour close. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting to see if this 4-hour candle can close above 1781.97. Because there is a 4-hour resistance there, so you need a closure above there. But hey, you got buy stops here. You can anticipate the 4 is gonna drive, I guess. Because you guys are looking at this 15 closure. I see you guys. You guys have buy stops right here. What up, Tom? Oh, is this snowing outside? It's raining. It's cold and it's raining. Would it be a range 2? Potentially, yeah, it would be because you have a range 1 down here. But I'm waiting for this 4 close. So I want the 30 closure above or 1 hour closure above. New York City. What's your opinion on funded accounts? This is my favorite question. Which one will answer that question for you?
I plead the 5th. I'm over it.
You think it's a good route, or is it actually made to make it hard to make you lose? I don't think it's hard. I don't think it's okay. I'm in the mix of both. I think if you're consistent as a trader, then funded accounts will be a breeze for you because there's nothing different from a funded account and a live account. If you've been trading live and you need more capital and your strategy works over months and months and months and months and months of consistency and you're in blues and blues and blues and blues every month, yeah, go funded on your account. Run the account up, you're consistent, you're doing great, you're fine. But if you're not profitable yet and you go funded, then you're just paying money to you just donate more money to the markets, really. Because nothing's gonna change. I'm telling you right now, if you're not consistent and profitable yet, and you think it's because you have a smaller account, you're not gonna be more profitable once you have a bigger account. Because if you're saying to yourself, oh yeah, I got a small account, I don't care about this money, that tells you a lot about your relationship with money.
Honestly, first thing you gotta ask yourself if this situation warrants an opinion. I don't think my opinion on this matter really matters. But what you should do is just, if you want to do funded, you should just save some money from your job, get it all that cash together, and hide that bitch under your fucking mattress so you don't fucking spend it on a shitty funded account. Right? Hide that bitch. Matter of fact, hide that bitch and then take a whole bunch of medicine so you forget where you hid the bitch.
I knew that wasn't going anywhere well. The way you started that story, that story out. Oh, I think you should, and then hide that. Over leverage. That's a cool name. I like that name. It's a good forex name. I like that. It's not sound like you got spliffed on a funded account.
Never.
No, he don't got
Never
hatred
had
on
one.
it. He just...
Nah, we just seen it live on stream from you guys. We seen you guys come on here and get your funded accounts taken away live on stream.
Remember that one time when Ted said on our stream, he's like, yeah, if anyone here in the chat, there's like, I think we had like 800 viewers. Like, if anyone here in the chat has ever passed a funded account and got the withdrawals, send me a screenshot. and I'll give you. What do you see? He'll give you like 5 grand or something like that. I don't know what he
It's like
said.
20. He said 20K or something.
20K TD account or something like that. I
There
don't
was
think. I
one
don't think
person-
anyone DM'd him.
One person did. He mentioned, he was like, all right, one person out of the thousands here or whatever it was. 1,500 people. He was like, you guys get my point. The guy was like, yeah, but what about my money?
I don't know. I don't got nothing against FTMO, but I would suggest you train your own funds personally, man. I would suggest you train your own funds. Who says offers up for grabs?
Yeah, no. He said, can you show me half a year of withdrawals from funded? And there was only one person that had that.
He always plays copyright free music on his live. Well, if I play copyright free music on my live, I'll be a copycat. I can't do that. No innovation. That was like months ago. That was like what, June? Like that.
Yeah, we say they set rules for you and put you in a box, in a space where you're supposed to be thinking outside the box. So it's just counterintuitive and to trading and to learning trading and to really optimizing.
I think regardless,
trading.
man, funny or not, you gotta be a profit trader beforehand.
But yeah, you have to be. You have to. This shit makes no sense.
Regardless of what account you trade, you just gotta be a consistent trader. That's all that matters.
Being
Money will
profitable
change,
now.
equity will change.
If you're profitable now, you're gonna be reminiscent about these forex funds real quick. Be like, damn, remember when I had that money? That's the worst when a friend buys you, because then they're like, he's probably hitting you up every day, going like, so how you doing?
Sounds like I can show you 6 months of depositing money into funding companies.
Yeah, but Hussein, I hear.
Oh,
you're
you
the
pronounced that well.
You are the overwhelming majority, right? It's like 99% of you, then one of those people with the withdrawals.
And 10 use arbitrary stop loss. Now he came to our stream back then. He explained that he explained stop loss. You don't use stop loss. Or yeah, it's arbitrary. It's like he explained what stop loss is. He explained how stop loss is. It shouldn't be like because you want to lose money. It should be there to protect your account. If that makes sense. It's kind of hard to come across.
I think this guy was part of Paul's group, where you deposit 20K and get $5. I think half the chat here is part of Paul's group.
Fun fact. I started off in Teacher's Domain this year. I didn't start off on Blueberry. I came to Blueberry in April. I only had, I think, 25-30K on Blueberry.
It's a lousy fact.
But with the 25-30K in April, since I was already popping my 10-20 lots beginning of the year, I kept the same lot size throughout those months, even with the small account or the smaller account size, because I was just testing out Blueberry. Right? I didn't know how much. I didn't know how it was. So as I switched over, I popped the same 10-20s, and April had to be our best month. It was just our best month this year. And that account grew, and then October, or Q4, we started showing this account, this one, on stream. So this account started with 147. This account started with 147,000, and it grew. 10-20s. I've been using the same losses all year, man. Whatever you guys see here, 10s and 20s, this is the same losses I've been using all year. It never really changed this year. I change my lot size once a year. So next year, I'm going to pop a 30 and a 15. That's my max lot size for the rest of the year. Last year, I was popping 5s and 10s. Every year I increase it once. Correct. Red FX. Emergency exit. That is true though, man. Like, I really don't know who made these rules up when it comes to RR. Like, what magical creature made these rules up? Like, you need to have a 1-to-1. You need to have a 1-to-2. You need, like, who made these rules up? It just doesn't make any sense. Me? I don't know, man. It's like a lot of these rules is just like being thrown around everywhere, and if everyone is following the same rules, you wonder why isn't everyone profitable then? If everyone's following these magical rules. Dua Lipa. Yo, Jack Carlos dating Dua Lipa.
Yo, who the fuck is making these memes, yo?
Oh, what do you see? Got 2 minutes for our closure. What is this? Remember one time I was showing the Discord and something popped.
Wow! Damn, man, look at that! Look!
Don, the website developer.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad! You keep digging!
You keep digging. This is mad, but this is the funniest one.
Yeah, I was just watching this.
This is mad funny. This is actually me though. The last 2 parts, that's actually me. I wake up like that.
Now puts on a suit and gets to his office. No!
All that. The dude who told Wix he's been is a loser for 6 years. This is fine. You said that. Johnny Wix, I receive subs and likes. You receive free shares and sales. Oh man, bro, remember I used to make the best memes.
Oh, where's Nav? Gets clapped.
Stream hoppers.
We actually took a massive win when they posted that meme.
Look at this gladiator account, Wix. Okay, there's not really a gladiator, but it's just back in the range. Chat, you have a 4-hour close here. So this is the most beautiful time of the day. You have the 4-hour close, and it looks like the 4-hour candle has been respecting the same zone it's been respecting all morning, if I'm not wrong. Right? You kinda, I guess you can say you close below this support here, but realistically, your support will be up here. But either way, it's in the range. With that being said, you got this wick to fill. Wick to fill going down is around 39 pips here. So it's not too bad. 39 pips, 58 pips here in this range going down. As for positions, let me go and mark up the charts again. Or let me just go back, actually make it easier for me. Or you know what? Let me just do it again. You have support right here. Looks like price is closed below.
Marco give up? No, he put it on autopilot.
Bit of resistance up here. Then you have clean traffic until around 1771 here. So yeah, this range going down is like 40 pips here, chat. This range going down. It's not too bad for positions. I just think you need a top wick first. As you can see, this 30-minute candle closed bullish, respecting the same resistance, the same zone. 1 hour close below. 1 hour is the cleanest time from here, really. 1 hour tells you everything in this case. It just comes down to how can you get positions here now. All right, how and where can you get positions? So I'll say wait for the topic on this 1 hour candle, and then you can probably anticipate positions coming down using the 15 or such after you create a top wick. But I would expect like 7-78, 7-7 getting tapped before we look for anything. And as for GJ is in the same bloody range. GJ really no update analysis really. It's the same analysis I had earlier. Buys above 168, sells below 167, 678. So I guess you gotta wait. Yo, wait, didn't catch anything during Asian last night? You didn't, right?
Maybe the C word, that's about it.
Huh?
That's the only thing I could have caught.
During Asian. Yeah, we should switch sessions, bro. I think that would be more ideal. You know, New York session, Asian session. You're from New York. I'm Asian.
Word, you got the white guy streaming Asian, you got the Asian guy streaming New York.
We should blend it then. Next year you start 200K, or will you withdraw some? I'm probably gonna make a withdrawal before the year ends, or beginning of next year, and run with that account. Probably like back to like 200K, yeah. Rather withdraw the rest of the whatever after 200 here. 34.
It's basically raffling away everything on top of 200.
Yeah, this account's up though. Like ever since October, we've been up 60%.
60.
Pretty good.
All right.
Not too bad.
Like I said, you're good, but with my help, you can be the best. No Raris or lambs, I swear. Some movie my wrist is ashamed to live.
Oh, nice top wick.
So that's all for today. Hope I triggered all your stops. The fun.
Man, the mirror.
What a Wait, this song was on twice during my stream yesterday.
Nice top wick. Nice stops. Nice TP. Nice trade. Let's see. 17,77354. What is that level? Close blow, drove down. Close blow, drove down. Ew, is this intro to yesterday?
About to cut them as be done.
No, it's not.
Oh, yeah.
Close blow, drove down. Close blow, drove down. And came down on this range. Close blow, drove down. Rejected. Range one fake out there. Wow.
Done. You think? Okay. These are things I hate hearing. I disagree. I'm almost certain. I feel that. I think that. I believe that. I'm convinced that. I have an impression that. If I hear this shit, any of that shit, next year, use the game block for the entire fucking year. I swear. I won't hear none of those words. No. Oh, circle with the drowning man. I disagree with that, Wix. In fact, that I'm concerned with the probabilities of the disagreements.
My brain hurts. I take a while to process that. No one can disagree? No. No. What we're trying to say is that those words in your trading vocabulary shouldn't be in your vocabulary. You shouldn't be thinking. You shouldn't be. What else did you say? You shouldn't be thinking. You shouldn't be feeling. You shouldn't be. You should be seeing. That's what you should be doing in trading. You should be seeing.
That's a new one. I'm convinced. I've been having people telling me, "Hey, I'm convinced."
They're trying to change it up low now.
I'm like, what?
You should be seeing and doing, not thinking and doing. All right, huge difference.
I'm convinced.
Oh, but you're on a plane? Yo, where you going? Yo, where you going, brother?
That's oddly authentic of you.
I'm on a plane and my quality of video ain't the best. So I imagine you're on a plane and you place your buy stop and you forget to you forget to place your stop loss. You have to plane and it's a 24-hour flight. Fuck. Your account's gone. Imagine you traded yesterday you traded like FOMC and you had buys and you just didn't have a stop loss.
Boy, you are absolutely right. I always do use I think, I believe, and it's always 98% of the time. It's always followed by the words, but it's irrelevant what I think or believe. We're going to see what happens here, right? It doesn't fucking matter what I think or believe because we're going to see the candles closer. That's what the fuck it's always followed by. I do say I think, I believe, but it's always followed by that sentence. Yo, what's up with your camera, dog?
Cancun. So we got a nice stop wick here. It's just this thing is a little wide. Stop's a little wide. I'm probably gonna stay here today till 10 a.m. though. To be honest, 10 a.m. I believe we'll probably get a trade here, but it'll be probably come at like 9:30, 9:15. Pretty interesting how this 5 closes here. I will say this is a range too. If this 5 closes anywhere above 1781, I'll take my buys. I'll be fine with that. We'll also be breaking the 4 highs as well. Because the 4 high is like 1781, right? 0.619. Booyaka. 61. Yeah, so you break above there in the 4 hour time frame. You close above in the 5, 1530. Should be good for positions going up.
Bro, you didn't pay your cameraman today.
Yo, what's going on the camera?
Go get the homie some lunch. What the fuck? Keep turning the camera off and shit. Boy's on payroll for a different stream right now. Why am I missing the previous 4-hour candle on my broker?
You are on a different broker.
You're on a different broker, but you're on
time.
a different time, yeah. But you're not missing a candle.
It's just still open. The candle's gonna close up in 2 hours probably. You probably have the 8 GMT one. Or
yeah. His candle closed 11. An hour ago.
Yeah. Can you break the 4 highs here? Will we get a trade? Will we get some nice buys? Or will we not get any positions?
I mean, we're going to get a W today regardless. Either it's here or Wordle or Asian. It's coming.
Check GJ? What do you guys want to check about GJ, really, man? We're in a range. I can't take any positions. Oh, sorry, your question? Oh, I said 168.703. My buys are going to be above there. Anywhere above that range are my buys, right? Above this zone here to the left hand side. Buys are above here. And then sells are going to be below here. Whatever is in this range between 168.703 to 167.676, between those levels is a non-tradable range for me, and therefore I'm not taking anything in that range. It's only the green levels, okay? I know you got bad service right now, so just look at the green levels. Nice and bright. Matter of fact, we'll help him out. Make it easier for him. Jeez. Imagine doing this, chat. What is going on, chat? 6:30 in the morning. This is what you see. This is actually kind of cool. My eyes are gonna hurt. Uh-oh, chat. You might break the 4 highs. Yo, think you put sunglasses on. I gotta do the same.
That shit was bright as fuck. That's like looking directly into the sun.
Oh, hell no. Oh, no, correct. Can you guys see what I'm looking at? Like I'm looking at Wix right now.
Looking like Stevie Wonder and Ray Charles on a Zoom with each other. So, you know what I saw? Oh, no. You know what I heard? Couldn't have seen anything. My bad.
Hey, remember the 4 highs, guys.
Versace. You can't even spell Versace. F-O.
Oh!
Versace.
Hey, chat, 1.5 minutes for a closure here. 15 closure and a 5-minute closure. Stops are probably gonna be below like the 5-minute zone. I'll say like 40 pips. Target's gonna be somewhere up here for around 40 pips as well. Top of the range there. Wow, 4 broke the highs, man. All this range going up now. So this will be your range 2 now, right? So in this case, you're looking at probably 1786 probably targets. I'll say anywhere in that zone will be fine. 1786.
Hey, Wix got the licenses, registration, please, sunglasses. Yo, these bitches is Fendi. This I'm sorry.
License
These are
registrations.
this is Christian Dior right here. Damn, they don't make them like this anymore.
Christian Dior.
It's Christian Dior's
They don't
right
make it
here.
like this anymore. Yo, show me your J's collection. It's over. Yo, have you ever taken a picture of your J's collection?
I think I've
Or since you move, it's different, is it?
Wix, it's in my Wix wisdom thing. That's the very first fucking scene on Wix wisdom. It's not the whole collection, but it's the collection, the main collection. Man, they don't make them like this anymore.
Until you got the Eminem 4s, Wix.
The what for?
Eminem 4s.
What's the Eminem 4s?
Like they're like 15k or some shit. Or 20k. I don't know how much they are right now. Oh, 15 seconds, chat. Get ready. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And you got a 15 close. Now you just need a bottom wick, really. You need to tap like 1780, 096 here. And then we'll have buy stops on the 15 break of the highs. But yeah, this trade is based at the 4 breaking the highs, breaking that structure in a 4-hour time frame. You honestly just need a bottom wick. So once you get a bottom wick, we'll have a buy stop on the break of the highs. Like so. Alright. And this will be the trade. No bottom wick, no entry.
How's everyone wearing something? Because we shining over here. We shining. Shining bright.
GG's. Looks like you have broken the highs.
Well, this strategy doesn't work. I quit.
I thought it would work too. Man, this strategy don't work.
This shit does not work. Damn it.
Back to RR trading. I thought we got him there, man. I thought we got him there.
Damn it. Yeah. thought we had something new going. Fuck. Shitty ass strategy. Who came up with this idea? Yo? This is terrible.
That guy punching the air right now. Oh. yeah, just stream hopper. I love when you guys do that. Just guys taking them down. If someone got that screenshot of Wix in my frames. Hello, I answered. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. One thing I will say, chat, as I've been snapping the 5-minute time frame, I've noticed that 5-minute time frames usually doesn't give a bottom wick. Like, yes, this trade did not have a bottom wick. Yes, this trade during the FOMC didn't have a bottom wick.
But are you really LOLing? Like, are you really sitting there laughing your ass off, like giggling your ass off? I entered. Suckers. Viral TikToks. I need some TikToks.
Yeah, chat. I don't know. We have 1 day left to get 120 trades on stream this year. I don't know if we're gonna do it tomorrow. Tomorrow's the last day of the stream. Like, that's it.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to fucking adjust our numbers.
1 day to get one more win. We predicted 120 this year. Wins on stream. We're almost there.
120 and 40.
Yep. But look at this. Like, January literally started off, chat. This record's been here since January. In case you guys think I'm capping or something, right? Look. The bottom right corner. Look at the record. It's always been there. And as a yearly came by, I think February when we just added a yearly record. It's been a journey, man.
Yeah, in February we were like, "Yo, what do you want to do just next month?" They're like, "Nah, let's just keep it going for the year."
See? Look, 9-2-3 to start the year off in February. I don't know why I can't show here real quick, but
Why are you showing them a loss?
oh shit, just to show them to be relatable, you know.
Oh yeah, show 3 losses.
Oh, look,
3 in a row.
like you can't see it, but 9-2-3. So it's always been here.
Did this lose? It hasn't really broken the lows.
I just need a bottom where. Yeah. Okay, worst case, we get 30 closure, but that's fine as well. 9:30, 9:30-10. Not too bad. Still got a lot of time left.
I'm in. Wow, a lot of people are in. You guys just put trust in this, huh? Trust in this current candle.
This camera,
Guys are
what's wrong with the
trusting-
camera, man?
You guys are trusting this new 4-hour to run with no bottom wick. Cowboys. Yeehaw! See, chances are we come back down and make a bottom wick, and you're sitting in drawdown at that point. So, right? Probability dictates that much. So why are you fighting probability? Baccarat streams. That's gonna be a no from me, dog. Yeah, remember last year's holidays? You had the little fucking Christmas lights around your screen?
Yeah, I was gonna do it this week, but it's too late.
It's too late. It's too late to put up Christmas lights. Yo, this fucking guy.
Bro, we had 300 viewers on IG Live yesterday. Pretty good, huh?
Yeah, it's like my
350.
Asian stream.
Huh?
It's like my Asian stream. Fuck.
Yeah, I got 350 peak. I was like, wow. I mean, I'm surprised we got 300 live viewers. That's crazy.
Yo, there's 1,000 people on here. Where the fuck are all of you during Asian session? There's 350
We
legit
about get
over
attacked.
traders. There's 350 legit over traders that show up during Asian session. 350 real over traders, the real ones. Asian is work time week. Sorry, well, show up and drop a like and then go back to work. Use your lunch time to drop a like. 1,000 people on here. You guys should be on during Asian.
$5 minutes for a 30 closure.
Stop begging. See, that's what we need. We need no. Why you delete them? We need people like Demon, the Asian stream.
Stop begging for signals.
Shit.
Surgery resident.
Hey.
This guy. The White Lotus season 2. I didn't watch season 1. What do you mean season 2? I don't know. I didn't watch season 1. You guys watch that show Wednesday on Netflix? You watch that, Wix? Alan's Family.
Wednesday. Yeah, I started watching that with my kid.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. Pretty dope.
Guys watch that? Is it
Thank you for
good?
likes,
I'm not
it's
gonna
crazy.
lie. I watched it with my girl. I watched the first 3 episodes, fell asleep during the 4th, 5th, 6th. I watched the last 2. That's not bad. I mean, not bad. You guys watch Queen's Gambit? That was my favorite show. That show is fire. You watch that, Wix?
Yeah, I seen it.
That shit's
Pretty good.
fire. Queen's Gambit is fire. Queen's Gambit was like top tier. 5 minutes.
Begging for likes is crazy, yo. It is crazy, yo. I can't believe people do this shit. All right, everybody though, drop a like for real. I know it's crazy, but drop a like. That's how we break the YouTube algo. That's how we grow this fucking community, right? That's how we, believe it or not, that's how the algos work. You drop a like and you sub to the channel, more people get recommended, right? More people get this channel recommended, and they're like-minded people because it's based on your likes, right? So it's the people that are like you and they're joining this community, and that's how this community becomes less toxic when everyone's basically, you know, single-minded or has the same thing on their mind. So yeah, drop a like and sub to the channel, and then show up in the evening, drop a like and sub to that channel. Oh yeah, that's how the algos work, yo. You guys should be liking. Other than that, neither I nor Don get paid for this shit.
Nope.
So dropping the likes is good for you guys. You guys are growing the community. My community could be 100,000 people. I don't get paid for none of it.
Hey, 5 minutes for a third closure, guys. What's gonna happen here? Are we gonna get positions today? You know, the more we pull back here, the more third man counts. I'll leave a wick for the wick fill.
Well, where are you looking to take buys above?
I got a line above, anywhere above 1780, 489, or I'll say I'll move it up a little bit. The most recent, anywhere above this line, 1780, 715. Pretty valid. Or we can wait for the 30-year close and then wait for a 5 close above this range and to get up here. 1783.
I got 1781.7. That's 67.
Yeah, I got off the alley /30. 1780, 714. Anywhere above there. Actually, this might be about 81.0. Yeah, right here. What is this? 80.180 above there. Be fine.
See, I don't like the fact that this closure happened. Wait, right there. It didn't respect this level. My level ends up being a little higher.
Oops.
Whoops is right.
Where the hell is it? Where did it go? Oh, I don't know why I clicked.
What the fuck are you doing? You gotta scroll left. All right, there. Yeah. So it If we close above that level, it comes back above that level. That's why I have it there.
Interesting. Valid.
Once we get above there, that's right. Look at the hourly.
You don't want to find this level though, because when you
Look at
came
the
above, you closed above there. As price came down, it respected this zone.
Yeah, and you had an indication there as well that bearish
yeah,
candle
back
closed with
there.
no bottom wick.
Yeah.
See right there, no bottom wick.
Oh, my bad. Let's see. 22 minutes left, chat. Until we get a closure above the range or position.
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 Parlez-vous français? No.
Mr. Bombastic. The wick on EU setting up to be mass bonita. You know I was fluent French? Yeah, I try. You know I try. Bonjour, je m'appelle Danvo. Mbappe, World Cup final.
Mbappe. You speak French? Mbappe.
Oui.
Giroud. Mbappe. Oh shit, he speak French.
Bonjour, Jean Chavin. Bonjour.
Sure.
Je m'appelle Don. Je m'appelle Le Don. 1, 2, 3.
Je m'appelle.
Oui.
Je m'appelle. Damn, a lot of you speak French on here. Look.
Yeah, we got. Yeah, how you speak French?
You guys all took the same French.
Can you use
class,
the
I know.
toilet? Oh, that's how you say it. Est-ce que je peux à la toilette? Est-ce que je peux à la toilette?
How you make that sound sexy? Like French is just
I don't
crazy
know.
ass language. Everything sounds like appealing.
Chat, how do you
Go take a
say
shit.
I'm waiting for a closure above the range? En attendant d'une fenêtre dessous de la fourchette. Oui.
Oui.
Right on. Oh, 30-minute close respecting. Oh, no, that's a 5. Yeah, 30-minute also close respecting as well. Woo. Okay. Interesting. How big is this 30-minute stop? If you don't mind me asking. 647. Sheesh. Current count stop 15. 15-minute can't use that. 5-minute can't use that. Ah, man, we're tough with stops here, man. I'll say, you know what? You know what I can wait for, chat? I can wait for a 5 closure above 1783. Above there. And then just use later on, just use the 5 candle stops at like the previous 5 low. So this is the low. You close below here. That's the low of 1779, and we just take 5s.
It closed below for me.
For me, it closed
It
above. But you got your levels a bit differently.
A little bit higher, my level is.
Yeah.
A little bit higher, but this candle right now that's driving up, I wouldn't mind if this pulls back and leaves the top wick.
Yep.
Then I can use this candle as a stop on the hourly.
This is a clean
very-
trade. This is a clean position. It was just stops. Stops are just you didn't even have a
What are you gonna
logical
do?
stop.
Previous candle? No.
Yeah. It had to be the current, and that current was how big was that
70
current?
pips, 65, 62.
14 pips. Current.
What?
Current
Oh,
30.
current candle.
Current 30. Yeah, it
previous.
was 14 pip stops.
It's up 15 pips now. Not anymore.
I'll wait for the 5 in 3 minutes here, chat. Anywhere above 1783, I'll take 5s going up.
I have the bottom wick coming up here for the 5. This 5 flips. See ya later. Big up to all my haters.
Gold's lovely, man. Yeah, everyone loves gold. I love gold too. This might be the one pair I trade next year. Gold's lovely. Foreign price action plays hand in hand.
And
what's this right here? Interesting. Yeah, it's a minute and a half there. Minute and a half here. Not too bad. Patience, chat. Patience. We took a trade today already, right? And my camera's off, of course.
yo, what's going
I
on?
don't know what's going on with the cam. I don't know.
Oh, and you moved me.
What's wrong with the cam today? Overheated or something? Oh no. No, I don't need the battery because I'm using a what's it called?
Liar.
No, it's like a fake. It's called a dummy battery. It's a dummy battery, so it's connected to the power, but it doesn't take a lot of power in the cam. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm not using a portable battery. I'm using like a wire basically, but it's a dummy battery.
Look, I just said wire.
No, it's not a wire. It's a shape of battery. It goes inside. You know, fuck it. 48 seconds for a closure here. Looking lovely. Looking lovely. Uh-oh. 30 seconds, gold. Just hold your horses. Hold your horses, gold. Hold your horses.
Well, if you really overnight me a package, because I gotta go fucking.
No, it's coming Monday.
I was gonna say I gotta tell people to fucking go look for it. Let me overnighting shit. Oh damn, old lady passed in 2016. Oh, he's on. Oh, shoddy long.
Cool. Right at it. Right a little above it. Yeah, this is fine. Just need a bottom wick, really. Yeah, if it comes to 10 and like we don't have any trades, we're calling it a day. Okay, here's the bottom wick. Can we get it? Oh, all right, cool. How big are stops? So you're gonna have a buy stop here and a break of the highs. Buy stops at 1784, 105. Okay, I got buy stops here. Remember, it's a 30-minute trade. It's a 30-minute wick fill. I'm using the 5 in this case because like I couldn't use I didn't have a logical stop on 30. TP is up here. Around a 1-to-1. $1784, 105. Yep. 1784, 105. On Blueberry. Right? Yep. 1784, 15. Sorry, not 105. 15. 15. Stops are gonna be curves count low, 40. That's a 40-minute candle. Wow. 40 pip candle. 1780, 062. TP 1788, 303. I mean, you can probably If you guys want, you just enter the break of the highs on 30, but that difference is like, I think 9-10 pips there almost. BE point would be somewhere around here too as well. The wick fill is a break-even point for me. So if you get activated here and we come up to tap the wick fill, at that point we just move stocks to break even, make it risk free. It'll be a break BE point, and we'll let the rest rock towards TP. Okay. Oh, and I believe I'm activated here. Yep, I'm activated here, chat. So got on some buys here. Got in a buy here. Stop loss is the previous kind of low, and TP is somewhere up here for around 40 pips, 42, roughly a little bigger than a 1-to-1, I guess. B point is that yellow line there, and then TP is up at 1788, 362. Cool. As for risk management, I'll say it comes down to how the hourly count closes, the 30 closes. I'll say you have a closure in about 21 minutes. So if you end up closing anywhere below, I'll say what I have it as below 1783 will manage risk. But as for a winning situation, just be point at 1785.016. Cool.
Fill the wick.
Oh wow. All right, cool. So at this
Closing
point,
75.
we're gonna
nice.
move stocks to break even. You know what? Since I had a rough day today, I'm just gonna close for here. And there's that.
Close 75.
There's my trade, chat. There's that. On to the next trade. On to the next idea. You can close half, whatever you guys want to do. I close full there. Right at, I think it was around 12 pips. If I'm not wrong. Yeah, you can definitely close half and let it rock. It is coming to 945-ish close. Just be aware. Might get pulled back for the alley candle. But there's your 5-minute trade right there. All right, so yeah, W in chat. If you guys are runners, let it run. If not, then now stocks to break even, whatever it is. But no one should be losing this trade anymore. It should be risk free. And we waited all day for that 1-minute trade. And I mean, that's all she wrote. All right. Good day, chat. Good day. Good day. Good day.
There's that 120.
How many viewers did we lose there?
Win number 120.
Oh, there's
the
yo chat. That's a special win. That is a special win. Yo, Wix, you're right. That's 120 this year. That is 120.
This was predicted.
Yes.
This was predicted at the beginning of the year.
Yes, it was.
On the second to last stream of the year, we hit 120.
Yo, that's some cool music to hit a win with though. Nice jazz. What was that? A breakout? Oh, yo, chat. We can put that as a 5, right? 5 breakout. First higher low. Half. Not bad. And close full at 12 pips. 13. Right? Can't complain. Now, hey, that was well worth it. So now you go and you relax for a day, chat. Close your charts, relax, chill out. You got paid today. You got paid to wait today, right? The streak continues. And we're on to the last day of the year tomorrow. Oh yeah, Wix, plug right now before they leave.
Yeah, quick Asian session plug. Be on tonight, last Asian session stream of the year, 8 p.m. Eastern. Asian session live stream here on YouTube. Maybe Dombo will grace us with his presence. Most likely he won't. He'll probably be playing hockey, cross-checking somebody. Heard your ass got a hat trick. Good shit. But yeah, be there for the last Asian session stream tonight and our final stream of the year overall tomorrow morning, 6:30 a.m. Eastern.
Yeah, party tomorrow.
Big party. We are having jingle bells. We're having mistletoes.
Yo, did we hit break even? Oh yeah, we've been on.
Yeah, hit break even.
So if you guys close partials, you guys would have been good, right? I don't want to hear nothing about RR. Nothing. I want to hear one thing about RR. Nothing.
Nothing. Nada. Zip. Zilch. Nietzsche. Niche. 9. No.
Not. All right. Anyways, chat. Yo, I appreciate us being here today, man. If you guys enjoyed the streams, if you guys enjoyed the trade, make sure to leave a like on the stream. I'll be back tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. And I'm not gonna lie, this is making me really want to stay for the rest of the year. I don't know. I might make a redecision and stream for the rest of the year. I might fuck around and do it, but yeah, man. Chat. Appreciate us being here today. Leave a like, sub to the channel, and we're gonna do a Wordo, and we're gonna come back to the charts for a bit, I guess. But we're probably done for a day if I'm being realistic here. I don't think I'm taking another trade today.
Tomorrow, you're gonna say, and we are done for the year.
Wait, up to the record.
120, boy.
Yeah, I got to put the 120 there. That's
the most important thing here.
Oops. Okay, so record is what? 120 for the year or for the month? Let's do the month first. 415. 4 wins, 1 loss, 5 break-evens for the month on stream. Yearly record 120. Sheesh. Sheesh. 120, 55 break-evens, and 38 losses. Nice. Yeah, chat. Wordo? Wordo? Let's go. Let's see what we got for Wordo here. Oh man. I don't hear nothing but R. Got an R here though. What if there's 2 R's in here? So what do you guess next? Price? Nope.
Spray. I did nothing.
I did absolute nothing. This is hard now. Oh, it's disgustingly bad. Chair. No A. An A doesn't go there. What's the end in AL?
I think it's gonna end.
Viral?
No, the R can't be there. I think it's gonna end in AR.
AR? Cigar?
Could do that. Cigar.
All right. The A is the R. Okay,
R is in the front.
Pretty easy now, right? Rival. All my idols rivals.
That's a good
All
one.
my idols rivals. Oh wow. Well, chat. That was a good guess. That was an easy word, though, man. That was too easy. All right, yo.
They let us have this one. We gave that one to.
John, we heard nothing about R. We closed right at Tibby top. Nothing about R. Marcos here? Oh shit, Marcos is here. What's going on, Marquise? Marcos, you missed it, bro. Remember that prediction we had at the beginning of the year, man? Remember that prediction we had for 120 wins?
Hit that today.
We hit that shit today. We had that prediction in like, I think February or something. We're on pace for that. February, March, something like that. 120, yeah. We killed it this summer, bro. We killed it. You guys gotta make a return. Alright, yo, chat. Yo, guys, I'll catch you guys tomorrow, man. Last stream of the year tomorrow, right? I'll catch you guys there. Love you guys. Thanks for showing all the love and support today. And quick sign at stream tonight. All right, peace out.
Yep.
Later. Later.
Had to change locations. Take it to the head, baby, penetration. Money not a problem, you can finger trace it. Drinking on the syrup, taking medications. After this club, we just change locations. After this club, we just change locations.
Look, I be riding through my old hood, but I'm in my new whip. Same old attitude, but I'm on that new shit. They say they gon' ride me, see me never do shit, cause they know that's the reason they gon' end up on the news clip. Audemars on my wrist, bust down. We popping bottles like I scored a winning touchdown. Remember me dead broke, look at me up now. I run my city from South Philly back to Uptown. Thank God all these bottles I pop, all this paper.
What happened?
I've been getting all these models I pop. I done sold 100,000 for my album got dropped. And I'm only 23, I'm the shit, now look at me, look at me. I'm a boss like my nigga Rose. Shorty asked me for a check, I told that bitch like no way. Cause I made it from the bottom, it was never no way. And I never had a job, you know I had to sell, yeah. Bitch, I'm a boss, I call a shot. I'm with the murder team, call a cop. We in the building, y'all are not. You showing the paper, you gon' ball or not. Bitch, I'm a boss, bitch, I'm a boss. I play the shots, I call the calls. We in this bitch, it's going down. Yeah, and the king that with my motherfucking crown. Bitch, I'm a boss, 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 I play the shots, I call the calls. Yeah, hey.
Got so many shades, they thought I had a lazy eye. Shorty roll me smooth as my Mercedes ride. No love, cry when only babies die. And when I go, that casket better cost 100,000. I pray to God I look my killer in his eyes. Snatch his soul out his shirt, let's take him for that ride. OG is one who's standing on his own feet. A boss is one who guarantee we gon' meet. Fuck a blog dog, cause one day we gon' meet. I'ma spaz on your ass like I'm on knee. Or a double stack, better nigga, double that. Jerry Jones money, nigga, you a running back. Herschel Walker, Bo Jack, Ricky Waters better run that dope back. Boss, and I put that on my Maybach. 400 down, bitch, you wish you saved
bitch, I'm a boss,
I'm a boss,
bitch, I'm a boss,
I'm a boss.
I play the shots, I call the calls. We in this bitch, it's going down. Yeah, and the king that with my motherfucking crown. Bitch, I'm a boss,
I'm a boss,
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 bitch, I'm a boss,
I'm a boss.
I play the shots, I call the calls. Yeah, couple cars I don't never drive, bikes I don't never ride, crib I ain't never been, pool I don't never swim. Fool, you ain't better than I move like the president. Everything black on black, you know I be strapping that. Ratting ass niggas walking around wearing wire, fucking up the game, got the hood on fire. Bitch, I'm a king. Call me sire. You say I don't run my city, you a motherfucking liar. I'm a boss, you a fraud. You cross the line, I get you murdered for a call. Murder, out in Vegas. I took the law. At the fight, we watching floor, we on the floor. Yeah, scared money don't make no money. If I ever go broke, I'ma take your money. I ain't never drop a dime, you ain't take nothing from me in the hood every day. Bitch, I'm good, what I say? Bitch, I'm a boss,
I'm a boss,
bitch, I'm a boss,
I'm a boss.
I play the shots.
Yeah.
Weezy out of here.
A minute.
Back home smoking legal. I got more slaps than the Beatles. Foreign shit running on diesel, dog. Playing with my name, that shit is lethal, dog. Who you see? What? Don Corleone. Trust me, at the top it isn't lonely. Everybody acting like they know me, dog. Don't just say it down, you gotta show me what you gotta do. Bring the clip back empty. You asked to see the ball, so they sent me, dog. I just broke her off with a 10-piece, dog. There ain't nothing, I'm just being friendly, dog. It's just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't go playing ball, but I'll show you how the fuck you gotta do it. if you really wanna fall till you fall when you're back against the wall. And a bunch of niggas need you to go away. Still going bad on them anyway. Saw you last night, but did it broad day. Yeah, a lot of murk caught me in a hard way. Got a sticky and I keep it at my dog's place. Girl, I left you love it magic, not all shade. Still going bad on you anyway.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I can feel like 80 rats in my Marys. Me and Drizzy back to back is getting scary. If you fucking with my eyes, just don't come near me. Put some bins all on your head like Justin Terry. Whoa. Richard Millie cuss a Lambo. Known to keep the baddest bitches on commando. Every time I'm in my trap, I move like Rambo. Ain't a neighborhood in Philly that I can't go. For real. She said, oh, you rich. Bitch, I graduated, call me Big Fish. I got Lori Hurry on my wish list. That's the only thing I want for Christmas. I been had my way out here, yeah, no, that's facts. You ain't living that shit you said, yeah, we know that's cat. You ain't got that ass in when you see me, no, I'm straight. DTOVO, we back again, we going back.
It's just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't go playing ball, but I'll show you how the fuck gotta do it. If you really wanna fall till you fall when you're back against the wall. And a bunch of niggas need you to go away. Still going bad on them anyway. Saw you last night, but did it broad day.
Broad day. Weezy out of here. Weezy out of here.
Thought I hung with Lil Wayne, thought he was shouting him out.
Hey, what you got going on, man?
Yo, Nick, pass, make it
I got a little bitch from the hood, I call her gang, she don't play with that bass shit. I be fucking this NBA nigga bitches, you know I ain't never gonna say shit.
New contract big like I play ball, little boy ain't nothing to play with.
I told her pull up, she told me she can't, her nigga be sharing location. I was riding in the ghost with a ghost gun, seen you out with your kids, so you old one. Had my man in the can while you taking out the trash, you gon' pop with the mat like don't run.
Gave her a pill, they all get high, you ever had a foursome. It's too much cash for me to hide, I had to get a little bro some. I fuck around from time to time, I don't show no emotion.
But when he died, he had them racks, he had to make a go for him. I hang with the hitters who train the killers who send all the niggas on store run. I got me a check and I brought me a cat and I went on the block and they know none. So I hang with all the murderers, I'm paying all the lawyers for the murderers. I'm putting all my last on the murderers. You don't wanna see me with the murderers. Yeah, Rolls Royce swerving, famous bitch curving. Seen you out in traffic, you was looking nervous.
Ran it up on accident, they thought it was on purpose. I know for a fact I'm blasting mine, I never get too worried. 100 racks and 100 still like cursive, I been selling verses.
One time I lied aside on my song, I ain't gon' buy no Birkin. Homicide on my mind when I slide, I ain't tryna see no hearse. He ain't even died by the gun, took a fake pill, nigga died on perks. Sure look perfect. Pussy was worth it, go get us some Percy. My diamond be here like we anniversary. We sticking together, this shit in the cursive. I'm fucking with that girl. I just like the jeweler with baby with 2 anniversary. Go to Atlanta, the cop and call me. Bad little bitches all on me, way too ranked up, ain't no supposed. She wanna go to the mall. Got up and went to the pop up in Louis and saw it and ordered it all. I'm in this bitch with the voice in the hair. All these niggas is weddles ain't going this hard. I'm from the P, that's gang. All these niggas know me, I hang with all the murderers. I'm paying all the lawyers for the murderers. I'm putting all my last on the murderers. You don't wanna see me with the murderers.
Hey.
These ain't no guest jeans. I dropped out of school, I'm still getting mad, but nigga don't test me. I play to the left, they went to the right, they try to finesse me. Still running around with that blicky, I hope they don't catch me. Police had raided that spot, so we went to the next street. Play like I'm dumb, as soon as it pop, I'm going retarded. He say I'm hard and he say I'm garbage, I'm rich regardless. We in Miami in the middle of the winter and we on them jet skis.
Yo, what you got in there?
If we in Atlanta, I'm running and catting away.
White powder.
Homies inside of my song, cause I know they be trapping a lot. I can't keep taking these pills when I'm in the trenches. They say
No
I be
wonder
capping a
you
lot.
don't do
I know
this
a nigga
session.
who say he got rich off the dope, but I know he be acting a lot.
What?
I wonder if you don't lose the Asian session.
A lot of powder right here, dog.
That day they shot you, I still on the mongoose. You could not come back around me, you charge your back on me, I cannot forget. The police was lying, they said that they caught you, but nigga, they made you admit. Your name was fine, you put in their
guys,
work,
I see you guys looking at the 1 hour chart, man.
Fuck my ass, they be on my dick, they all be mad, we rich.
Who says that, chat? Delete.
Delete.
How many pips did the first pip go for? 1. The first pip went for 1 pip. Yep.
That's the postseason.
How many pips can you catch it? How many pips can you catch a pip and pips can catch pips?
Oh, yo, I swear I was just saying, how many pips?
How many pips can pips can catch pips? If a pips can catch pips.
When you really rich on a Sunday, your bank don't close. Cat like you pressing, but trust me, you gon' get your lesson. Nobody gon' know your direction. Don't let them know which one you working. They cook like you blessing. Don't show your hand, let them keep guessing. Dripping is giving fluorescence. I came with the dressing. Keep God in my presence. I cross bulletproof, we protected. You can shoot if you want, learn a lesson. Got your hoe in my possession. You don't hit it right when she pull up, we sexing. I'm bossing that pussy, no question. She biting like Tyson, we fucking and fighting. Gon' get your ass down and get struck on the dices. I bet it with Roscoe, he crossing like Christ. The all caught a hot one, it's burning like nice. And I hopped in the whip and I slid with no license. Do what I want cause I'm grown. Smoking out the back when I roll. Burning up my 9 my cologne. Gulfstream G5, not a drone. Jet ski, rockin' water like a bowl. Seesaw stripper up and down the pole. It's a deep freezer, everybody froze. It's enough money all around the globe. That's the postseason, we at the lows. Rich like Chris, cardio stones. Lil' baby lit, I'ma take her home. Pounds on chip, we on the road. Look, we done grow. You a sell out in your soul, them and soul. Street to legit, we done conquer the grove. When you really rich on a Sunday, your bank don't close. One of the walk of my shirt off, sit like the shock of the label.
By the way. 460, yo! 460 likes, yo! Let's go! We had a peak viewers of what? 1,000 there in that trade? Okay. Popping off. I got you the whole year, chat. Ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, dog.
Ain't gonna happen.
500 likes? I don't know if we can do that. We need 40 accounts. For my calculations, this 1 hour counts and pull back and do your what's go.
According to my calculations.
According to my calculations. According to my calculations, we're gonna close about this range over here, and then we can let it drive up towards the top of the range. Oh, we closed above.
You know what that means? Call it a year. Call it a year.
Yeah, I can trust all these bitches, all they want is money. Bad back, baby girl, now you know my honey. Yeah, all my homies turning phony for some money. Yeah, all my homies turning funny for some money. But I blew it, ran through it, yeah, I had to do it. Got a walk with a 50, but don't make me do it. Yeah, don't make me shoot you. I will shoot you dead.
This is like a crease in my Jordans. I don't like it.
Oh no, I'm done for a day. No, we are done for the day.
Let's say I don't like it. What are you looking at?
We are done for the day. I'm looking at music. I'm looking at what to play next.
Oh, all right.
Party's not over until it's over.
All right.
We need some Christmas spirit.
We need a fat lady singing. Oh, we had Christmas spirit on last night. That's how we ended our stream. We ended our stream with some jingle bells.
Jingle bells.
And then we had let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
All
Jingle bells, Santa smells, Christmas really stung. Remember that? No. Oh, no. We're not listening to Mariah.
There we are.
No, we're not listening to Mariah, bro. This is what they play at the ice skating place, right? At the ice skating rink. Mariah ruled the ice skating rink.
Jack. What? D-R-A-C-O, D-R-A-C-O, We're right tower with the Draco B. D-R-A-C-O, 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 D-R-A-C-O. I got a Draco in my puppet, little bitch.
Yo, Mariah going crazy.
Motherfucker gotta keep it.
else is there.
Thank you. That's not even music. That's Don playing that.
I'm
For
off
real.
the grid. Got tats on my ribs. Tattoos on my ribs. I just tatted my kids. I just do 20 county. We was in honest. I just bought this brand new clothes. Dope Street Market. Ay, we just took a ride, shot it. I'm in a Rolls Royce. Know what you call it. I light up art, blunt, and let's try it. I'm off the grid. I'm on codeine diet.
Fire, man.
We'd like you to think of Christmas early this year so that you can get a limited edition of the finest holiday music you ever heard. They're all here in this wonderful holiday album.
Vampmas.
Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck is this? What's the bad
Still in the
stuff?
block, we still in the ring. Chasing that guap, chasing that bank. I'm in the man. I got the draw like a band. Yeah, give me the bands. Give me the band. Give me the
This shit ain't
motherfucking
gangsta.
guap.
I
I got
don't
the
know what it
Glock.
is.
Gotta get motherfucking dance. I'm in the party with walk. It's the walk. I got the motherfucking band. How did they better than that? I don't even fuck with their friends. Out of my cuts, dark.
Right to fucking
I don't even fuck with their friends.
Don't tell me you saw the vampire.
I got some money to spend. I got some money to spend. I got some money to spend.
Yo, this is what my
I got
Christmas.
some money to spend.
I go to fucking Queensbridge project with this and all the windows open.
I'm in the cool with a clutter. Yeah.
Like, this is some gangster shit. You're not
Posted with my brother. Yeah. He got a mob. Posted with my brother. Yeah. He got a mob. Posted with my brother. Yeah. He got a mob. Posted with my brother. Yeah. He got a mob. I'm robbing the bank. I'm robbing the bank.
Yo, yeah, I go tomorrow to school like this week.
I pick up my kids from school
My bitch, she got cake.
and I blast this full volume right here. I wait to the part where he said pussy.
I just got a case.
Go up to the school.
Got dirt on my face. Got tats on my face. I'm serving that base. I'm serving that base. I got me some thoughts. They thought I
Let me
was
get in
gay.
here, Wix.
Remember you to put that
That's
sign.
all that matters.
Cool, Jordan.
I know
Yo, we're
what the
gonna
fuck
lose
I'm
the
saying.
plane. We won't be able to see you at all on Christmas. This is what this motherfucker tells me. I'll be there in spirit.
Never too much. Never too much. Never too much. Never too much. Never too much.
Man, I'll be there in
Never too
spirit right
much.
there.
Never too much.
This a whole album?
She's sucking my
Who
dick.
dropped the Christmas album like
Eat it
this?
for lunch. I hit from the back.
He dropped this album on Christmas. They remixed it to make it Christmas.
I'm beating it up.
This is the top one, no one album of the year last year.
I'm beating it up. 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 Ever since my brother died. Ever since my brother died.
Yo, what's this
Shit
bat
like
doing here, though?
Shit like this causes COVID. I swear. Like, these people are responsible for all the bad shit.
We took over. We took over. We took over. We took over.
On Atlanta, at my time, excuse my manners, I got Sanders.
Excuse my manners. I got Sanders. I got status. You won't steady. I'm from Atlanta. Came from the Eddie. I'm a Mercedes. It's not practice. I'm not leaving. Where's my matches? I get the bag of my matches. And the game my matches. Yeah, I'm out of my matches. And she out of my matches. She right easy. But we always match. Body easy. Let that happen. Body easy. Let that happen. Excuse my manners. I got Sanders. I got status. You won't steady. I'm from Atlanta. Came from the Eddie. I'm a Mercedes. It's not practice. I'm not leaving. always find matches. I get the bag of my matches. And they came my matches. Yeah, I'm all about matches. And she all about matches. She ride these. We always match. Party in yeast.
Oh, here's the next song. How's it going,
Party in
guys?
yeast.
I think there must be something wrong with me, Linus. Christmas is coming, but I'm not happy. I don't feel the way I'm supposed to feel.
Alright, bro.
Hey, yo, we made it Thanksgiving. So, hey, maybe we can make it to Christmas.
Where you win, bitch, okay? I try to avoid them. You know, I go to a rack and take 8 or 9 items off the rack and go in the fitting room, but they'll knock on the fucking door, won't they? How do those fit? Like, gee, they fit perfect, but my purse won't zip up now, bitch. Do you have a bigger bag I could use?
Oprah season 1.
Damn, Yeezy and Hov, where the hell you been? Niggas talking real reckless, stuntmen. I adopted these niggas, Philip drumming them. Now I'm about to make them tuck they whole summer in. They say I'm crazy while I'm about to go dumb again. They ain't see me cause I pulled up in my other Benz. Last week I was in my other Benz. Throw your diamonds up, cause we in this bitch another again. Photo shoot fresh, looking like wealth. I'm about to call a paparazzi on myself. Live from the Mercer, run up on Yeezy the wrong way, I might murk you. Flee in the G450, I might surface. Political refugee asylum can be purchased. Everything's for sale, got 5 passports, I'm never going to jail. I made Jesus walks, I'm never going to hell. Couture level flow, it's never going on sale. Luxury rap, the Hermes of verses. Sophisticated ignorance, write my curses in cursive. I get it custom, you a customer. You ain't custom to going through customs, you ain't been nowhere, huh? And all the ladies in the house got them showing out. I'm done, I hit you up, man, yeah. Nah. Welcome to Havana, smoking Cubanos with Castro and Cabanas. Via Mexico, Cubano, Dominicano, all the plugs that I know.
This bitch up, it can go down.
Got a Bible by my bed, oh yes.
Alright, I gotta hop off, bro.
There's at least 100 people on here who are like, thank God this shit ain't coming back for 3 weeks.
The survey says by the streets of cold.
Not good. What is this?
Hey, it's a holiday. I got hoes on hoes in the
Yeah, fire. Hold on.
Hey, it's a holiday. I got hoes. All my niggas on go, and I hope that you know it. I can't even close my eyes, and I don't know why. I guess I don't like surprises. I can't even stay away from the game that I play. They gon' know us today.
What these bitches want? What these bitches want?
Don't let me get in my zone. 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 The stars is in the building. They hands to the ceiling. I know I'm about to kill it. How you know I got that feeling? You are now watching the throne. Don't let me into my zone. Don't let me into my zone. I'm definitely in my zone. Sharp ball so hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. First niggas gotta find me. What's 50 grand to a motherfucker like me? Can you please remind me? Ball so hard, this shit crazy. Y'all don't know that don't shit phase. And that's could go 0 for 82 when I look at you like this shit gravy. Ball so hard, this shit weird. We ain't even po be here. Ball so hard since we here. It's only right that we be fair. Psycho, I'm liable to go Michael. Take your pick. Jackson, Tyson, Jordan, Game 6. Ball so hard, got a broke clock. Rollies that don't tick-tock. All the Mars that's losing time. Hidden behind all these big rocks. Ball so hard, I'm shocked too. I'm supposed to be locked up too. You escape, what I escape. You be in Paris getting fucked up too. Ball so hard, let's get faded. Liberties for like 6 days. Gold bottles.
Last one, chat. Last one. Yeah. I want to hear how this sounds. Hers was a banger. I'm gonna make some hot talk after this, bro.
Back in Gucci with the shit to rock. Back when Slick Rick got the shit to pop. I'd do anything to say I got it. Damn, them new loafers hurt my pocket. Before anybody wanted K-West beats, me and my girl split the buffet at KFC. Dog, I was having nervous breakdowns like, man, these niggas that much better than me. Baby, I'm going on an airplane, and I don't be back again. Sure enough, I sent the plane tickets, but when she came to kick it, things became different. Any girl I cheated on, sheets or skeeted on, couldn't keep it at home, thought I needed a knee alone. I'm trying to right my wrongs, but it's funny them same wrongs help me write the song. Now I gotta testify, come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky. You gon' touch the sky, baby girl. Testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky.
Tonight.
On the daily?
On the daily on GJ, we close back in range. Some decent spells.
GJ?
Yeah, we're back in range.
I see what you're looking at. But I think you gotta close below here though, right? Or below 168.
This is gonna close there back in range.
Yeah.
Because the previous daily had no top wick, so if it closes there, then tonight should have some nice stuff.
Christmas without you.
No.
Is it? So
oh yeah, it is Elvis.
Man.
You listen to Elvis back in the day?
He died while he was taking a shit, you know that?
Really? Yeah. Man, he kind of said different, same shit, different voice here.
on a green Christmas tree.
You watch that movie? He has a movie called Elvis.
No.
It just came out. It's like a remake of his life and shit. I didn't watch it,
Who played him?
Hmm?
Who played him in the movie?
That guy, Austin Butler.
Yeah, I know that guy.
You know that guy?
Nope.
Tom Hanks is in that movie. Hank. You know what? Yo, I know what's fire chat.
Yeah, that's fire.
In the city that's so pretty.
There you go. Yo, remember 6ix9ine did this? You never seen this?
Special guest. Special guest.
Ah, this is mad funny.
Tell me he's gonna start rapping Goober right now.
That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell rock. Yeah.
Let me get it started. Pick up the robbers. Who retarded? BB second. Fly like a dragon.
Swell.
He should have done that during prayer. Wow. That would have been incredible. No.
Oh shit, we're still streaming. Yo, for real, I mean, yo, that I don't know about you guys. You guys can talk all that shit, bro. I know for a fact this outro got you guys in a Christmas mood, and now you guys all want to make hot chocolate and watch Home Alone. Yep.
When I hear this, I want to ice skate and hold hands.
That smells ass. Alright, chat. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Later, haters. Later, alligator.
You forgot to thank the mods.
Thank you, mods. Moderations. Moderators.
That was ass.
That was no one made 6ix9ine was, bro. It's not
1-star review.
Oh, like, there's no good Christmas rap songs.
There shouldn't be a Christmas rap song. How you gonna be gangsta on Christmas? What are you gonna do?
It's Justin Bieber. No.
You can't be a murderer with jingle bells. You know what I mean?
Yo,
can't be
what's
a
that?
fucking
What's that movie on Christmas
killer.
again? What's that one movie, Wix? Fuck. I need to watch it. I haven't watched it yet. That best movie on Christmas. Like, what? The guy saves his family.
Elf?
No.
Elf?
It's a shooting movie.
It's a what?
Shooting movie.
Shooting movie? Oh,
Fucking what's it called, chat?
it's not. It's a drug movie.
Yeah. Die Hard.
What?
You watch this?
That's not the movie I was thinking.
Oh, nah, Die Hard. They said this is the best Christmas. I haven't watched this shit yet. Die Hard. They said it's the best
Okay.
Christmas movie of all time.
Yo, you gotta see Die Hard 2, I think.
You watched Die Hard 1?
Yeah, but I'm talking about the other one where he was in the city and shit.
I gotta
Where the
watch
dude wanted
this,
to
bro.
blow up the bank.
It's on Christmas?
I don't know.
What else is a good movie?
Like a Christmas movie? I think Terminator was great.
That show's on Christmas?
Could be if you watch it on Christmas. It's a Christmas movie. Shit, you could watch Matrix on Christmas and it's a Christmas movie.
Elf is mad funny.
Yeah, Elf is mad funny.
Dies Home 2? That's a thing. What else is mad funny? Bro, they need a Weird Millers on Christmas.
Yeah, I was just about to say. I ain't getting gifts for this?
Home Alone classic. Yo, have you ever watched Home Alone 3 and 4? Like, I've never watched. I refuse to watch it. I watch Home Alone like 5 times a year.
Right.
But 3 and 4, bro, I don't know about that. Polar Express. A Nightmare Before Christmas. The Grinch Stole Christmas.
Yeah, I like that movie. With the one with Jim Carrey. I think that's funny.
The one Jim Carrey.
Grinch. The one with Jim Carrey where he's the
Oh,
Grinch.
yeah.
It's funny.
Rudolph. The Nutcracker.
Yeah. That's what's up. You ever seen that movie?
I've seen that movie. The Nutcracker?
Oh yeah. It's in the same aisle as Saving Ryan's Private. They're classic. Both classic.
I was talking about a different Nutcracker.
You ever watch Saving Ryan's Private?
Nah, hers is good though.
Word?
But I just got that joke. I just
But I heard it was good though.
Saving Ryan's. Oh. Yeah, chat. I just thought that the stream is done. Just started.
Yeah. We keeping it going until the last stream of the year. There we go.
Okay, I'm hopping on chat. Yo, catch you tomorrow, bro.
Don's really sitting there in his room with a harp. Just fucking pulling strings.
Find your likes? Yeah, I'm staying here to find your likes. How many likes we got?
Nah, I can't do that.
6, 4, 6, 7. Ah, we're not
Imagine I was like, nah, I'm gonna stay to 500 likes on my stream. We stream through London. Oh, yeah, yeah. I think it's that time. It's that time where we have to stay late at everybody, right? Because we got shit to do.
But the video only came out 2 years ago for the song, or the Mariah Carey song. Alright, chat. I'm hopping off, bruv.
Yeah. Me
Peace
too.
out, guys.
My ankle bracelet's about to start beeping. Gotta get back.
Imagine my ankle first of all stop beeping. Bruv. I gotta get back. Where you going back to?
I don't know. To where it doesn't beep no more.
Where you are right now?
I'm here for a good time, not a long time.
There, chat. 100%.